So what is this show that you were doing?
I can't talk
You're
about it.
NDA?
Yeah.
Damn. Can you describe it as an example of something, a derivative of something?
It's a... I feel like मैं जो भी बोलूँगी ना मेरी मार देंगे.
हम पता क्या करेंगे?
It's a great show.
Oh, thank God you said that.
And I'm there.
Oh shit.
Which makes it
Now
an
I
even
don't-
better show.
Achha, okay, wow. Yeah. Hard sell, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's a great show and then you are there.
Yeah.
So therefore one must take out the time
Yeah.
to watch. Is it a reality show?
Yes.
It's a reality show, it's a game show.
Yes.
It's a game show where all of you are competing against.
प्रखर
हाँ.
मेरे को जितने भी पैसे भरने पड़ेंगे ना आप दोगे
तू एड रेवेन्यू ले लियो उस एपिसोड का, कोई
प्लीज
दिक्कत
2
नहीं है
रुपए का
यार.
एड रेवेन्यू आता है, आप रखो, मुझे नहीं
तेरा
चाहिए.
2 रुपए का ही आता है?
मुझे तो बहुत कम एड रेवेन्यू मिलता है और इनिशियली तो मेरी सारी वीडियो डिमोनेटाइज हो जाती है. फिर मैं उसे मैनुअल अपील पर डालती हूँ. 5-6 दिन के बाद दे लाइक, ओ वी फाउंड नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट, ये लो 1000 रुपए कमा लो.
I used to think that कि जो ये एड रेव होता है ये चवन्नी होता है, but actually that's not the case.
तो भाई मेरी ऑडियंस गरीब है, अब क्या करूँ फिर.
तेरी ऑडियंस तेरे को क्या लगता है ज्यादातर लड़कियां तेरे को पता होगा डेटा?
लड़कियां ही हैं.
तेरा YouTube ऑडियंस एनालिटिक्स में ज्यादातर लड़कियां हैं?
मेरा YouTube 80% लड़कियां हैं
Damn.
और Instagram 70% लड़कियां हैं.
And what do you think is the relationship your viewers have with you? Like, what do they feel or think when they watch you? What's your guess?
I think it's a very parasocial relationship because I share almost everything about my life.
So do they see you as a friend
Yeah.
or an older sister
भाई
or what?
बहुत ही फ्रैंक हो जाते हैं मेरे से, मिलने आते हैं. तो पहला क्वेश्चन, उस दिन मैं एक अवार्ड में थी और मेरे पास एक लड़की आई कि आई एम सच अ बिग फैन, ये वो. तो मैंने बोला ओ माय गॉड थैंक यू. तो बोलती आपकी आवाज़ को क्या हुआ? तो मैंने बोला ये बस मेरी आवाज़ है. कहती वो गेट वेल सून. आई वाज लाइक ये बस मेरी आवाज़ है. बट नहीं, उसके अलावा दिल लाइक वो ब्रेकअप क्यों हो गया, मेरा आदमी भी ऐसा ही है, मैं क्या
मेरा
करूं?
मर्द भी तो ऐसा ही है ना बहन.
मैं क्या करूं?
ऐसे मटका उठा के दोनों जा रही है राजस्थान में, मेरा मर्द भी मारता है. I've never heard a woman say मेरा आदमी. मेरा आदमी. I'm going to resist the urge to crack jokes here, huh? But okay, so they tell you about like their breakups as well.
Yeah, their breakups, what is happening, उनकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने उनके साथ क्या किया. Like every time I see somebody
हाँ.
सड़क पे चलते हुए, it's a 10-minute conversation.
Yeah, that can't be easy.
Yeah, no, it's not.
I saw you were recently responding to a couple of guys.
Yeah,
ना?
yeah.
हाँ.
But I love it. Like अगर my issue is not कि तू मुझे गाली दे रहा है, पर अगर तू मुझे गाली दे रहा है तो तू भी 4 सुन ना.
हाँ.
और हॉट है तो गाली दे.
अच्छा, अगर लड़का हॉट है तो गाली दे. हाँ.
तो एक बार देख भाई, बंदर जैसी शक्ल के साथ तू मुझे बंदर क्यों बोल रहा है? मतलब
तेरे को लगता है हॉट लड़के गाली देंगे थोड़ी, लेकिन हॉट लड़के तो they'll slide into your DMs. Hot guy approach is very different to this kind of shit.
Yeah.
There's no hot guys hating on the internet.
Yeah.
Have you ever found a hot guy hating? He's instantly unhot.
No.
If he goes out of his way
Yeah.
to care about you, the whole spiel of being hot is I don't care.
Yeah.
यही तो होता है ना hot की, oh I don't even care. That's the caricatured version. So you never find a hot guy hating.
Yeah, that's so true.
I think it's also a weird thing because तू अगर ये देखेगी, for anybody who's 10 right now, those guys are their heroes.
Yeah.
वो उनके लिए बहुत cool है. The generation for which these guys are cool, वो आ रही है. हम लोगों के लिए इंटरनेट वाले लोग ऐसे थोड़े नर्डी रहते हैं कि ये क्या इंटरनेट पे तुमने किसी को हेट कर दिया.
नॉटी तो नहीं, मुझे तो बहुत गुस्सा आता है ना.
हाँ.
मैं तो बट आई एम अ हेटर, आई लव हेटिंग ऑन थिंग्स. मुझसे चुप नहीं रहा जाता कि मतलब कोई मुझे बोल रहा है तो मैं एक दिन बोलूंगी आई एम द बिगर पर्सन.
To like float above all of this.
Yeah.
नीचे कचरा है, मैं ऊपर परी की तरह.
मैं हूँ ही नहीं, मैं कचरा हूँ भाई. तो मैं तो वही हूँ सबके साथ.
Right.
तो आई रियली
So what had happened recently?
Yeah, so I posted a story time video telling कि मैं बाली गई थी and मेरे किसी रिश्तेदार ने मेरी फोटोज देखी. हाँ, तो और उन्होंने मेरी मम्मी को कॉल करके बोला कि मैंने ब्रा और पैंटी में फोटो डाली. एंड माई मॉम डिडंट नो व्हाट Instagram is at that point.
This is how many years ago?
This is when I was 17, 18. So
And are you going to talk
Five years ago.
Okay. So you're 22, 23 right now?
yes.
Yeah, okay.
So my mom didn't know Instagram and my mom is really bad with technology anyway. So her first instinct was that maybe I'm making on the internet, and which is why I'm posting in a bra and a panty, but it was a bikini at the ocean. So not as bad as being a porn star, but still bad.
No, I don't think it's as bad as being a porn star, but I mean, sorry
It's
for...
still bad.
It's still bad for your parents to see it.
Of course.
Yeah, they're going to come at you hard for
But
that.
my mom thinking कि ओ वो बाली गई हुई है जिस बारे में हमें पता है, and there she wore a bikini, reaction little
Sure.
but oh my god हमारी बेटी हाथ से निकल चुकी है, मुझे जाके अपने पति को बताना पड़ेगा कि ये सब हो रहा है. Fuck, worse.
So there is a framing problem.
Yeah.
Your rishtedar did not sell you very well. In
No.
fact, they sold you the opposite direction,
Yeah.
right? And so she was trying to cause drama.
Yeah.
And that's what the story time is about.
Yes.
But I have a fundamental question.
Yes.
And forgive me if I'm ignorant.
Yes.
Aesthetically, apart from color and
Yeah.
sometimes style, what really is the difference between a bikini and bra panty?
Bra panty you would usually wear inside your clothes.
Sure.
Bikini is a synthetic material that you're supposed to wear while you're swimming. तुम कच्छों में swimming करते हो, हम क्या पहन के swimming करें guys?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल मना नहीं कर रहा.
Suit,
For me,
सलवार.
wear bikinis, dude. You know, beautiful women. What man hates that, right? I'm not the one complaining.
भाभी,
हाँ
देख
उसको
लो
तो
एक
यार
बार.
वेयर बिकिनी तू भी पहन, सब पहनो, मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है. माय फंडामेंटल पॉइंट इज दैट अभी ना कुछ दिन पहले यहाँ राहुल दुआ आया हुआ था. राहुल दुआ कॉमेडियन, वेरी फनी गाय. उसको एक बार बहुत गाली पड़ी थी इस जोक के लिए. उसने कहा था फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एक तरीके की महंगी मालिश ही तो है. एंड एट दैट you can laugh. I think it's so funny when someone
It's so funny.
right? मेरा जिम ट्रेनर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट भी है. मैं उसको साले को रोज भेजता हूँ रील की. ठीक है. बट द पॉइंट इज उसने कुछ बहुत ही अचंभित झूठ तो नहीं बोल दिया. इन दैट सेम वे ब्रा और पैंटी और बिकिनी, मतलब बिकिनी एक महंगा ब्रा पैंटी तो है.
Bikini actually एक सस्ता bra panty.
Sure.
Yeah.
हाँ, right. Lingerie probably is a more
Yeah.
महंगा, but
Yeah.
वो same continuum पे है.
एक,
You can say that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I just wanted to clear a fundamental doubt I had about female clothing.
Now the entire internet knows their doubts are cleared.
So they were hating on this. इसमें कैसे hate कर रहे थे?
नहीं, उसने बस वो वीडियो देखी और फिर बोला तू थोड़ी सी है क्या, बस like that was the content, that was the punchline.
Wait, who did that?
Nobody, I
Achha,
don't know.
you don't know the name, okay,
Yeah,
okay, right.
but so I zoomed into his face and posted his picture and I was like, ऐसी शक्ल के साथ ऐसी बातें करना तुम्हें शोभा देता है क्या?
Managing a business can be very challenging, especially when you have to use multiple tools for operations like invoicing, like payments, inventory, website creation, and much more. That's where Odoo, an ERP platform, comes in. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, a type of software that helps businesses streamline and manage their operations by integrating various processes into one unified system. Odoo is an all-in-one management software designed to simplify your business operations. Whether you're running a small startup, managing a growing business, or leading an established enterprise, Odoo offers a wide range of easy-to-use applications tailored to meet your needs. You can simplify your billing processes by creating professional invoices in just a few clicks, accept payments effortlessly through multiple gateways, design and launch a fully functional website without needing any technical expertise. Stay on top of your stock levels with real-time inventory tracking, and not just this, but so much more. And that too, all in one place. All of these apps are integrated and remain in sync, ensuring your data flows effortlessly between departments and processes. And the best part, you can try it for free. Yes, any one of your first app that you try on Odoo is free forever for an unlimited number of users with lifetime unlimited hosting and support. That means you can start optimizing your business processes immediately without spending a penny. If your business grows or you need access to additional apps, Odoo's pricing is incredibly affordable. For just Rs 580, you gain access to everything Odoo has to offer, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of any size. Check out Odoo and its apps using the link in the pinned comment and description of this podcast. Now for the rest of it. I understand. I think internet hate can be weird, and for women particularly, it can be very, very weird. It's a very tricky situation being a creator on the internet because as a female creator on the internet, because I think audience acquisition is easy, but quality audience acquisition is just very difficult. तुम्हें quality audience कभी rarely मिलेगी. और नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. I think over a longer period of time you can probably manage that. But there's a lot of, मतलब तेरे को DMs में आते होंगे यार ऐसे cheap लड़के, गाली से लेके flirt सब कुछ करते होंगे. Because you're very out there as a female creator. Yeah. Right, you're talking so much. People must feel you're approachable.
Nobody thinks I'm approachable.
People are intimidated?
Yeah. Every single guy I've met has been scared of me.
Tell me more.
मतलब सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं मारूंगी उनकी, पर ऐसा नहीं है. क्यों करूंगी मैं ऐसा?
अभी तूने उसको क्या बोला, साले अपनी शक्ल देख. इसके बाद आदमी जो मर्द डीएम करने भी वाला होगा ना पूर्वा को बोलेगा नहीं यार मैं हट जाता हूँ यहाँ पे, मेरा कोई फायदा नहीं है होने का. Yeah, I can see that would be the second alternative, that people would find you intimidating.
Yeah, but then I was talking to this guy recently and he was like, before we get into anything, I have 3 rules for you. मैंने बोला अच्छा पापा क्या हो गया? तो बोलता rule number 1, you can never post me on social media. मैं कहा भाई मुझे करना भी नहीं है, हम 2 दिन पहले मिले हैं. Rule number 2, तुम मुझसे बिन बात के कलेश नहीं कर सकती. And rule number 3, whatever happens between us, it'll never go out.
At that point, he's your girlfriend.
Yeah.
He's not your boyfriend at that point.
But it's like, because he's seen so much of me on the internet, he already has these assumptions of how I'm going to be. कि मैं, before I can get into anything, I have rules.
Yeah.
So.
And generally, how are the dates that you find from dating apps?
I don't go on a lot of dates.
It doesn't work out.
No. And if I know that the person knows me, then I just don't talk to them.
Strange.
Because तुम इतना कुछ information लेके आ रहे हो मेरे बारे में, I will have to work backwards. तुम्हारा जो perception बन चुका है, मुझे वो break करके एक नया perception बनाना है. I think it's a very unfair situation to be in.
Yeah. How painful for you to be privileged like this. Right? No, but tell me, Apurva, तेरे हिसाब से, what are you looking for in a guy when you're going out on a date? I'm genuinely curious. I'll lay a little foundation to all of this. Okay? I think you're very interesting. I think you know that you're very interesting. I think you have a generational talent for telling stories. I've rarely seen somebody tell a story which may not frankly be very interesting, but in such an invested and convinced manner कि आदमी बड़ा interest हो जाता है, कहता है यार ये तो कुछ crazy हुआ होगा. I think you are one of the very few, like even if you're performing, your performance is very authentic.
Yeah.
And so I think that creates a polarization where people want to know more about you, where people think, people want to follow you, so on and so forth. And so I also think that a large generation of women, roughly your age and my age, were very influenced by 2 characters played by Kareena Kapoor on television. There is Pooh and Geet. Yeah. And you're the Geet type.
Yeah.
Is that a fair assessment?
I mean, yes, I talk a lot. तो एक ही personality है, I think, Geet की.
Right.
मैं बात बहुत करती हूँ.
But is that your favorite character or something? तेरे को याद है movie देखी तूने जब भी met?
हाँ, मैंने देखी है. My favorite character is actually the girl from Fleabag. It's a beautiful show. You should watch it. It's one of my favorite shows. She's a very flawed character. From the start, तुम्हें पता है कि ये बंदी गलत डिसीजंस ले रही है, ये बंदी बहुत ही फ्लॉड है, नहीं है अच्छी दोस्त, नहीं है अच्छी बहन, but somehow you're still always rooting for the main character because that's what being human is. You are not this perfect character ever.
And what is Fleabag about?
So it's about this woman who loses her best friend and has a horrible relationship with her family, is trying to fix her relationship with her sister and falls in love with a priest. It's a very good show. It is so beautifully written.
It sounds like
so funny. It is very good. You should watch it. Anybody who's on the internet should watch Fleabag once.
It's a drama romance show.
It's not romance. It's dark comedy-ish.
Interesting. Can you pull Fleabag up? Okay. And so you relate to that character a lot.
Yeah.
And she's also very talkative and whatever.
No, she's not that talkative, but she's just, some people you look at and you're meant to hate them, but as soon as you get to know them, you don't hate them.
And this is the kind of character this person is.
Yeah.
Iska naam kya hai? What is her name?
I've forgotten actually. Can you imagine?
My favorite character. I don't remember my favorite character. Mera favorite character Govinda hai.
But it's so good.
Achha.
It's very well written.
And it's an Amazon show, huh?
It's like she's having sex with this boy, okay? And then she breaks the 4th wall and she's directly talking to the audience and she's like, this is so boring. And then she goes back to her sex. So she keeps doing this in between the show and it is so beautiful to look at. Like it's a cinematic masterpiece.
That's the part you remember where she breaks the 4th wall to
It's
say
the
this is so boring.
first scene in the show.
Right.
Yeah.
Achha, that's the first scene. That's the opener. Huh? So that's a pretty hooky opener.
Yeah.
I can see that. You were saying just right now that there's a certain reason why you are the way you are.
Yeah.
Actually, do me a favor. Describe yourself in your words for me.
Oh no.
Right? That's a
Job
tricky
interview.
one. No, you don't have to qualify for anything here. You could fail this question. I just want to know how do you see yourself?
हाउ डू आई सी माई सेल्फ? इस साल ना मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं सेल्फ डिप्रिकेटिंग बातें नहीं बोलूंगी, तो
हाँ,
जो पहले
बिल्कुल
100
तू flex कर।
सेंटेंसेस आ रहे हैं वो मैं डिलीट कर रही हूँ अपने
चल
दिमाग से।
तू बोल दे, हम हटा देंगे, तू बोल तो मेरे को जानने तो दे।
I think I'm a great friend. First thing.
Okay.
And I want to be remembered as a great friend. Like I want, एक तो मैं हिंदू हूँ तो मतलब मेरा gravestone बनेगा नहीं, but if I ever had a tombstone, it would say Apurva Mukhija, great friend.
Great friend.
I would want it to say that.
Sure.
I think I'm very empathetic. And I'm there for the people I really want to be there for. I work really hard and I hate admitting it. Like, मुझे मौत आ जाती है ये बोलने में कि मैं काम कर रही हूँ. But I think I work really hard. I have an ability to make people feel seen. Like, if you're with me, you will think that I'm very into you. I want to know everything that's happening with you. I understand you to a level that nobody understands you. And I think I do some, like, because I have a lot of empathy. And other than that, I would like to think that I'm a good storyteller.
Right. That's how you see yourself.
Yeah.
And this idea that you're a good friend, the fact that that comes first, why not a good daughter or a good, you have a brother?
Yes.
Yeah, a good sister. Like, why friend? Why friend so important?
Yeah, so for the majority of my life, ek to I moved a lot of houses growing up because of my dad's job. I didn't feel home at my house ever. So what kind of helped me feel home was Bombay because of the people that I'm with. So
And the people you're with now?
yes.
Yeah, now. Okay.
So friendship, I think, saved me. And so I focused a lot on being a good friend to other people. I would not say that I'm a great daughter because if you ask my dad, he has been traumatized by whatever I have done in life. So he would not agree. So I don't think it's right for me to say that I'm a good daughter.
ठीक है, fair, very honest, like that. हाँ.
And मेरा भाई मुझसे 10 साल छोटा है. So
he's peanuts right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I moved out when I was 17 for college. तब से मैं घर गई ही नहीं हूँ. So I've not had a lot of time to spend with him. But anything my brother wants, I make sure that he has it. अभी उसे Coldplay जाना है, उसे एक भी गाना नहीं आता, पर वो टिकट मैंने खरीदी है ब्लैक में, वो जाएगा. PS5 जिसको वो हाथ नहीं लगाता वो है घर पे. So that way I try giving him whatever I can, but I don't think I'm that emotionally present or so involved in his life. Like अगर मैं पूछूंगी मीना कौन बंदी है, क्या है, क्या चल रहा है, तो नहीं बताएगा.
Where were you growing up when you were growing up?
So I was born in Shahabad, which is this very small place near Kurukshetra, which is where I lived for 7-8 years. Then we moved to Noida, then Ambala, then Panipat. And then I went to Jaipur for my college, Bangalore for my job, and then Bombay.
So mostly north?
Yeah.
अच्छा. मेरे को ऐसा लगा तू बॉम्बे की लड़की है. बट अगर तू दिल्ली की है तो बहुत सेंस बनता है, क्योंकि जो तेरा वही खुर्राटपना है ना, जो मैं कुछ भी बोल दूंगी, हाँ टेक कैमरा ऑन कर दो, मैं कहानी सुना दूंगी, वो आई थिंक इज वेरी दिल्ली ऑफ यू. या बट तू एक्सीडेंटली क्रिएटर बनी होगी.
यार मैं ना कोविड से पहले एक रिलेशनशिप में थी जहाँ मतलब मैंने बिल्कुल अपना दिमाग ही ख़राब कर लिया था. तो वो मतलब मेरे उस बंदे के अलावा कोई दोस्त नहीं थे, कुछ भी नहीं था, एकदम घर गृहस्थी बसाने वाला सिस्टम था मेरा.
मैं रात को रोटी बना रही हूँ, घर आ रहा है तो हाँ.
और मेरे घर वालों से बहुत लड़ाई होती थी. तो मैं जब कॉलेज गई थी, मैं ऐसे गई थी कि यस अब इस घर वापस कभी नहीं आऊँगी, इस चौखट तो वापस आना ही नहीं है कभी. और फिर कोविड हो गया. तो मैंने बोला और मैं एक दिन के कपड़े लेके आई थी कि मैं जाऊँगी, हाय हेलो बोलूँगी, ध्यान रखना अपना कोविड में, वापस चली जाऊँगी. और कॉलेज नहीं बंद होगा, पर कॉलेज 2 दिन के लिए बंद हुआ, फिर 7 दिन के लिए बंद हुआ, फिर वो बंद ही हो गया. मैंने बोला अब मैं अपने बंदे को फ़ोन लगा रही हूँ कि भाई मेरे से बात कर ले, मैं किससे बात करूँ, घर वाले बात नहीं करते, दोस्त है नहीं. तो बोल रहे हैं मैं अपने करियर पे फोकस करूँगा. और जैसे ही कोई लड़का तुम्हें कहे कि वो तो अपने करियर पे फोकस कर रहा है, तो वो किसी और लड़की पे फोकस कर रहा है.
नहीं तो वो और लड़कियों पे फोकस कर रहा है. हाँ होपफुली, आई मीन हाँ.
तो वो मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठाता था. तो तब मैंने अपने घर में वीडियोस बनानी शुरू की थी. एक
SOS मैसेज बाहर देने के लिए मैं प्रसारण कर रही हूँ, देखो मेरी बात सुन. क्या नाम था उस लड़के का? मैं पागल मैं चेक कर रहा था. अगर आरुष लेला होते ना वो बोल देते हैं, वो फट से बोल देते हैं.
नहीं ये सब मैंने सीखा है ना आप यार.
बट जो ये दिस होल सिचुएशन विद द बॉय, फिर वो ब्रेकअप हो गया वहाँ पे.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली. पर मेरे साथ ना प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं एक बार में ब्रेकअप नहीं कर सकती. मैं वापस जाऊंगी, मैं भीख मांगूंगी, भाई प्लीज 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 प्लीज, फिर बोलेगा, फिर मैं बोलूंगी अब तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, फिर मैं वापस जाऊंगी, प्लीज 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 प्लीज, गलती हो गई। तो वो मैंने चलाया आई थिंक 1 साल और प्लीज प्लीज करके।
बट वो 1 साल खराब 1 साल होता है।
बहुत ही खराब
हाँ,
होता है।
बिकॉज तुमने यू द पावर डायनामिक इंस्टेंटली व्हेन यू सेड प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, तुमने अपनी पावर डायनामिक की मां बहन कर ली उस टाइम पे। वो रेस्क्यूएबल रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं है। हाउ मच डू यू लाइक योरसेल्फ ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10?
Since 2025 I started.
Only this January.
I love myself since January.
Only since January, huh?
I absolutely love myself. No,
So
but
you-
I think on good days,
हाँ.
a solid 8. Like, 8 तक तो I do like myself.
And when you hate yourself, do you have days where you hate yourself?
-10.
And what is the language of self-hate? Like, what do you tell yourself?
Physically, so I can find 10,000 flaws within myself. Any day, any
day.
given day. Like even on my 8 days, I know.
कि वो 2 जो कटे वो इसलिए कटे। Good, you're very self-aware, हाँ।
Yeah. कुछ नहीं, वैसे ही कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में, क्या कर रही हूँ, यही सभी, what a failure, stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah.
And so the stories you're telling on your story time, etc. These things have happened.
100%. I am not that creative to come up with something.
But are you enlarging or
No.
diminishing something? It's just literally like this.
Yeah,
This is
like
your experience.
obviously अब मैं बोल रही हूँ अगर पापा के 5,000 कॉल्स आए तो नहीं आए।
हाँ, मतलब sure. हाँ, हाँ.
But हाँ, हुआ है ये सब।
And you don't think you'll ever run out of stories like this? तू कब तक ये crazy life जिएगी?
नहीं, of course I will. पर फिर मैं शादी करके फैमिली व्लॉग चैनल शुरू कर लूंगी ना।
और देखो चाहिए भी एक करोड़पति लड़का।
नहीं।
अच्छा, अमीर लड़का नहीं चाहिए।
I will never do a family channel. I will never put my kids out there or my husband. नहीं, husband मंडप पे I'll post एक बार, अगर रो दिया तो, नहीं रोया तो फिर रील। खुशी का नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी।
तेरे पति पे बहुत प्रेशर होने वाला है।
हाँ भाई, रोए तो सही।
ये किस टाइप की बात है? रो यार।
कोई वायरल रील देखी जिसमें पति नहीं रो रहा होता?
Bro, first of all, I think why the f would you cry? That's a little bit much. As a guy, why are you crying? Hold yourself. कुछ तो तेरे अंदर ये भी दिखना चाहिए ना कि oh, he has strength. He can hold himself.
मैं वो हूँ, मैं ये सब men can cry भाई।
No, men can cry.
Yeah.
पर कोई वजह तो हो। तेरी
के
औरत
आंसू।
चलते हुए अंदर आ रही है, हर सजना पे तू रो रहा है।
But खुशी के आंसू यार।
I mean, खुशी के आंसू. Frankly, as somebody who is getting married, the खुशी is done. Like the day you were
I
like.
asked Prakhar before this कि कैसा लगता है लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में होकर, कहता बड़ा मजा आता है, पूरे दिन अपना काम करता हूँ, फिर 10 मिनट उससे बात कर लेता हूँ।
हाँ, I said
तो
it's
of
very
course
easy.
नहीं आएगा ना रोना।
नहीं, बट तू पता है, देख ऐसा होता है ना, जब अगर अरेंज मैरिज के बारे में मैं नहीं कह सकता, बट इन अ सिचुएशन वेयर यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप, यू नो, लाइक आई न्यू मे बी अ ईयर अगो कि हम शादी कर रहे हैं।
हाँ.
उसके बाद से एवरी डे यू क्रॉस वन और द अदर स्मॉल चेक मार्क दैट लीड्स टू, मतलब एक प्रपोजल, बाइंग हर अ रिंग।
Have you done the proposal?
No, I don't
Can I
believe
help
it.
you plan it?
Sure, if you also want to find a brand, yeah, I'll do it.
I will find you a brand, outfits, videographer, everything.
And why are you so interested in my proposal?
I just love.
You just love.
मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैं I want to live vicariously through you.
Damn, huh?
Yeah.
Women are so weird for that.
Yeah.
Like, why don't you have a mission? Why don't you go out and think कि आज मेरे को कुछ ऐसा करना है?
क्या करना है?
कुछ भी हो सकता है यार।
क्या?
मतलब
What is your mission every day that you wake up?
यार, like for instance, I'm very much enjoying this process of building this out.
Yeah, I'm also doing it.
Yeah.
Then
why are you so focused on love?
why? एक second. Why can't I have it all? Is my question.
Are you Hannah Montana? What the f do you mean I want to have it all?
बट क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मतलब आप कह रहे हो कि मैं पूरे दिन काम करूं, ठीक है, सुबह उठूं, PR वालों की गाली सुनूं,
अपूर्वा फिर से ये बोल दिया।
ठीक है, फिर मैं कंटेंट पे ध्यान दूं, ये करूं, आज बोलूं, अब ये शो बनाते हैं, वो करते हैं, इससे जलन हो रही है, इसको ये वाला ब्रांड क्यों मिला, ये सब करने के बाद मैं घर आती हूँ।
Real, so real. हाँ.
मैं घर आती हूँ,
हाँ.
तो कोई तो होना चाहिए जिसको मैं फोन करके बोलूं कि तेरे को पता है आज क्या हुआ, एंड देन इट्स अ 1 hour monologue and he just says I'm
बात
so
तो ठीक
proud
कह
of
रही है.
you.
Right.
इतना तो होना चाहिए यार.
Sure, like company के sense में, I don't think there's a problem with that. I think the problem is, and this is my experience, I think women are prone to consuming the relationship. They treat it like a foodie treats an item of food in front of them.
Yeah.
उन्हें मन करता है खाने का. तो eventually, one, you are running the risk of being bored in this relationship very quickly. Two, you will not find the happiness you're looking for in me. I genuinely think no matter what the guy is, no matter who you end up dating, you're not going to find your happiness there. So what
मतलब
is the
नहीं
point?
मिल पाएगी happiness
और नहीं,
कभी।
the risk you are running is कि अब ठीक है, मैंने suppose I'm in a relationship with X person, I think happiness is once I consume them. Guys have a version of this, they call this lust. इस लड़की के कपड़े उतर जाएंगे ना तो जादू दिख जाएगा. That is why guys keep chasing so often. The whole thrill of variety is you keep thinking there is magic behind this person. Right? And women do that too in relationships. They keep feeling कि अब मेरे को ऐसा प्यार हो जाएगा कि बिल्कुल ही कुछ जादू हो जाएगा, मेरे को perfect लड़का मिल जाएगा. Neither of those things truly exist. You're not going to find, जैसे you can say, एक केले का और एक पिज्जा का टेस्ट सेपरेट है, but they're both tastes ना. You will find a happiness out of being in a relationship, but it's not the happiness you're looking for. And the trouble is, if you keep looking for the happiness in that one person, when you don't find it, you blame them. And I feel like that's why there is all this, मतलब divorces happening at the speed of light, dude. 2 महीने भी नहीं चल रही हैं. 2 महीने भी नहीं, मतलब क्या हो गया?
लोग कमेंट में टैग कर रहे हैं, इसके बारे में बात हो रही है.
2 महीने. अरे ब्रो, ऐसा हो रहा है. This guy married to his girlfriend, gets divorced, ends up with his side girl, gets divorced, and then goes back to his first wife. And so he's had 3 weddings in 2 years.
And you've been invited to all 3 of them?
No. Even if I was, I would not go. I know of this person through common circles. But he walked, वो अपनी शादी वाले दिन, when he walked in, he walked to the music of Undertaker. Undertaker का म्यूजिक होता है ना, उस पे साला वॉक किया अपनी शादी पे मंडप तक. भाई कह रहा हूँ क्या हो रहा है, क्यों आ गया हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. But this is what a lot of money and thinking that happiness is between someone's legs or in someone's bedroom. That's what it makes you do. You do crazy shit and none of it is real.
वाओ प्रकार, क्या बोला है.
What do you mean क्या बोला?
Bold of you to assume कि इतने बड़े प्रवचन के बाद I will stop chasing the happiness, but you tried.
No,
we appreciate.
कुछ तो लोग होंगे तेरे से समझदार जो सुन रहे होंगे पॉडकास्ट को, जो एक्चुअली सोच लेंगे. But I genuinely think that is not the answer. I don't think people should be doing that, and I think women fuck up relationships very often for this reason. So how's your relationship with your parents growing up?
Here and there. I think I've always been really close with my mother, and like mummy के लिए तो I think the major reason why I wanted to earn money in life was because मम्मी हमेशा कहती है ना कि अरे इस घर के अलावा हमारा है क्या, हम तो कहाँ ही जा सकते हैं, you know, we can't ever leave and go if we don't like a situation. So my only dream growing up was to have enough money so that I can buy a house, give it to mama, so that I just never have to listen to this again कि you have to be in a situation that you don't want to be in because you don't have anybody else to go to.
And you think there's some part of, like, how much are you like her versus your father?
I'm actually a lot like my dad. A lot. Like हमें गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. We're both very क्या कहते हैं उसे, एकदम से जो लोग
ट्रिगर फ्रेंडली.
हाँ
sure.
बहुत ही तेजी से ट्रिगर हो जाते हैं. बहुत ही अवॉइडेंट अटैचमेंट है हम दोनों का. सो आई थिंक आई एम अ लॉट लाइक माई फादर, बट आई वुड लव टू बी मोर लाइक माई मॉम.
Yeah, it's a very interesting position to be in. Like, I think part of the reason why your name is Rebel Kid is also probably because of your relationship with your father.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's the reason.
Yeah, it is.
And so do you still classify yourself as a rebel kid?
No, because now my dad has become pretty chill. Like, I don't think he agrees with whatever I do. He still has like very different thoughts and very different understanding of what is right and what is wrong. So I don't think that has changed, but he has kind of just stopped saying anything. I think he's given up.
Right.
Little bit.
There was a point in my life when maybe I was 20. I had a very wise friend.
Yeah.
And me and my dad would never get along.
Yeah.
You were asking how that relationship was. Very similar. I'm very much like my father. I never saw it, frankly, myself.
Yeah.
मेरे को खुद कभी समझ नहीं आया. My girlfriends or close friends would tell me when I would bitch about my dad कि पापा ने आज ये कर दिया, they'd be like, you're literally the same guy.
Yeah.
Right? And it would never make sense to me. And there was a lot of fighting. In fact, I think I went to the US to run away from my family.
Yeah.
Right? Especially with my dad, because we just would not get along. But I had a friend who once told me this. He said, a boy begins to become a man the day he realizes his father is wrong. That's the day the boy stops seeing his father as superhero.
Yeah.
And he gets into a phase where he's like, oh, this is where you're wrong, this is where you're wrong. But he says the boy finally becomes a man once he understands his father. Right? And मैं तेरे को बता नहीं सकता, इतने सिनेमैटिक मोमेंट पे उसने ये बात फेंक दी थी ना, मैंने बोला तेरे दिमाग में आई कैसे? एक तो ये बिल्कुल पोएट्री कर गया तू इंग्लिश में, और मेरी सिचुएशन में 1:1 अप्लाई होती है. एंड द मोर आई हैव ग्रोन अप, द क्लोजर आई एम टू बीइंग मैरिड, टू हैविंग किड्स. At roughly my age, my father possibly had already had me. It's his first time doing that job. उन्हें क्या पता है यार? And I'm not saying there are not bad fathers and good fathers. Very tricky fathers. But I imagine it's very rough being the father to a daughter in North India. And you don't know what the is up outside. I have a very famous friend who said this to me. He's like, bro, जब तेरी बेटी होगी ना, तेरा मन करेगा पूरा शहर खरीद लूं ताकि उसको चोट ना लग जाए. So like what I'm trying to get at is, I'm sure it was not easy being your father.
Yeah, 100%. I would have, मैं नहीं कर पाती अपने जैसे बच्चा, तो मैं बिल्कुल भी ना पाल पाती भाई साहब. I think of course, मतलब I don't think any parent wants bad for you.
Right.
कोई बच्चे पैदा करके ये तो नहीं सोचता कि भाई अब इसकी जिंदगी खराब करूंगा.
Sure.
Everybody is thinking from whatever they know is right.
The fact that I asked you how you identify yourself, and you said I'm a great friend first, right? And I was very curious about why you said that. It's interesting because the reason you became who you are is also because of that, no? Your father. You became the rebel kid. You had something to rebel against. There was a safe enough environment. So like a lot of your identity is based on it too. कल को तेरे को views नहीं आएंगे, तू वापस rebel kid बन जाएगी. तूने कभी ऐसा सोचा है?
यार मुझे पता है कि अगर मुझे अभी वाले कंटेंट पे व्यूज आने बंद हो गए तो मैं कुछ और बना लूंगी जिस पे व्यूज आ
हाँ, तू बहुत entertaining.
आई थिंक आई हैव अ वेरी फेयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कंटेंट.
Teach me.
आई नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वर्क्स, किस पॉइंट पे क्या कहना है. आई नो किस वीडियो पे कितने व्यूज आएंगे. आई नो क्या बोलने से वीडियो कितना वायरल होगा. मैं 4 साल से कर रही हूँ. आई नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वर्क्स.
Damn, it's not translating to dating at all though, huh? Apurva, it's really not working when you're talking to guys.
मेरा गिव अप हो गया है भाई, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. 2024 से ही मेरा हो गया था कि अब मैं नहीं डालूंगी और भी कुछ.
Interesting. What kind of fights would you and your father have when you were a kid? Like what was the issue?
यार एक तो ना आई वॉज अ वेरी बैड किड. मतलब पढ़ाई में हमेशा अच्छी थी, बट मैं हमेशा लास्ट दिन पढ़ती थी, पर मैं उससे 95, 99 ले आती थी. आई रिमेंबर मेरा बोर्ड का रिजल्ट आया, आई गॉट 95.4%.
No, but I feel it. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. My dad was very similar, very strict in that way.
So, remember how you asked कि लड़कियां क्यों बिच जाती हैं? When
explain कर दे, बिच जाती है का मतलब, क्योंकि हो सकता है वो कैमरे पे ना आया हो मोमेंट.
नहीं,
इसका क्या मतलब?
You asked me कि लड़कियां क्यों, उन्हें एक लड़का मिलता है 20 साल के होते हुए, तुम्हें लगता है मैं इसके लिए रोटियां बनाऊंगी, whatever. When you've struggled so much to find love within your own family, where love is so conditional that if you're a good kid you get love, if you get 100% you get love, if you wear certain type of clothing you get love, अगर पड़ोस वाले तुम्हारी बुराई नहीं करेंगे you get love, then the first instance of unconditional love you get, you're like, this is what I want. So if you have little bit of daddy issues sprinkled in, तुम किसी के लिए भी बिच सकते हो.
I feel like people with daddy issues have a superpower.
What is that superpower?
They generally try harder in life.
Yeah, they do.
And so they end up becoming more ambitious, more successful by nature.
Yeah.
Very rarely have I met somebody who's successful who's not had daddy issues. किसी का परिवार अगर कुछ होता है टाइप, बिल्कुल हम साथ है गा रहा है, वो लड़का जिंदगी में आगे नहीं जाएगा, वो दूध ही बेचेगा वो फ्यूचर में भी. And so I fought with my father a lot. We are very similar people. हमारी वो चाहते थे मैं पढ़ाई और करूँ, थोड़ी इस तरीके से पढ़ाई करूँ, थोड़ी उस तरीके से पढ़ाई करूँ. एंड स्कूल में फ्रैंकली ही नेवर बॉदर्ड टू मच. उनको ये भी नहीं बताता मैं कौन से क्लास में हूँ, मच लेस एनीथिंग एल्स. एक बारी मेरे को याद है, मेरे 6th 7th की बात होगी, कोई टेस्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए थे, बड़ा सैड घर जा रहा था. किसी ने मेरे पीछे से ना, सर्दी की बात है, दिल्ली की सर्दी, किसी ने पीछे से पानी फेंक दिया. सो विदाउट रियलाइजिंग और विदाउट थिंकिंग आई वॉज मैड. आई गेट दिस गाइज हैंड, जो भी मेरे हाथ में आया, हाथ पकड़ में मैंने घुमा दिया और उस लड़के का अंगूठा बाहर आ गया. ठीक है, और वो तो रोता रह गया, मैं चला गया गुस्से. मैंने बोला साले तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई पानी फेंकने की, व्हाटएवर. 7th grade हो गई लड़ाई, उसका अंगूठा टूट गया. Next day, my parents get called up. My mom comes. Because my father's not going to dirty himself by walking into my school and letting somebody else tell him how to raise his son. My father is a proud man.
Yeah.
And whatever happens, happens. I get home that day, my dad looks at me. He's home somehow. He's not at work. He's home. I walk into his study. He looks at me. हाथ में किताब है, ऊपर देखते हैं. आज के बाद स्कूल से फोन नहीं आना चाहिए. And he just continues reading. And that's it. मैं वो भूल नहीं सकता. मेरी स्लो मोशन में फटी थी उस दिन स्लो मोशन में. कभी कभी मेरे को लगता है रुकी नहीं है तब से फटनी, क्योंकि मैंने बोला सुन तो लो हुआ क्या. हिंदी में मार्क्स कम थे, गुस्से में निकल गया. लेकिन दैट्स हाउ माय डैड वाज, राइट. आई कांटेक्ट से रुला देना. और मेरे को ही नहीं, मेरे दोस्तों को भी रुलाया पापा ने. इट्स अ वेरी टफ सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. माय मदर वुड इंसिस्ट फाइट. तेरे को पापा से बात करनी है, जाके मुंह पे लड़के आ. एंड आई थिंक दैट हील्ड माय रिलेशनशिप विद हिम टू अ ग्रेट डिग्री. बट आई थिंक दोज फाइट्स डिफाइंड मी. द फैक्ट दैट आई वाज ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू शो हिम कि आपके तरीके से नहीं, किसी और तरीके से भी हो सकता है और सही हो सकता है. गॉट मी टू वेयर आई एम.
So tell me something. Do you still fight for your dad's validation?
No.
You don't. When did you stop?
Well, in tiny ways, it's a very good question. In tiny ways, I found myself. Like जैसे हम कभी drive back कर रहे होंगे ना, and I'm driving, I'll play like a Jagjit Singh because I know he likes it, and so we can vibe to it together. It's this silent scream that a son, relays. He will catch it sometimes. He will sing along sometimes he won't. But in broad parameters, no. Dude, I'm fucking getting married to somebody who's not even Indian. There's no validation left to get. In fact, I broke that door so hard, I would traumatize them, specifically say stupid shit so that they'd be like, हमारा बेटा कुछ भी कर सकता है. अच्छा चलो शादी तो कर रहा है. Right? Like I broke that entire spectrum for a very long time. In some ways, मेरे को पता है मैंने पापा के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता. कुछ नहीं खरीद सकता. I cannot provide. There's no car he cannot buy for himself. No watch he cannot buy for himself. No trip he cannot buy. Right? But I mean, that's his money. That's his money. So I know I can show him that his son's doing tremendous work. I know what he likes about it. I know when people come up to him and say, "Aap to Prakhar ke papa," he loves it. So I give him that. And in that way, you can say, I still fight for his validation, but no more. Do you?
Yeah. I don't think I can ever stop fighting for my dad's validation internally. Like, no matter how much I be like, oh, rebel. I think at the end of the day, I just want him to come and tell me, I'm so proud of you, beta.
I would cry if my dad said that. I think at this point, my dad said it several times. But there was a whole point जहाँ मैं वो emotion, they were like in my chest, right? Like always waiting to release. I've had that. एक बार मेरे को याद है, I was still in New York. And my dad has this thing, right? He'll just call me up. बेटा arrogant मत हो जाना. तब तो मैं कुछ करता भी नहीं था फेमस होने के लिए. तब तो मैं था भी नहीं फेमस. बस किसी बात बेटा arrogant मत हो जाना. And this is the point in life where I'm waking up from fighting with him for 20 odd years and I'm like, Papa, है कौन arrogant यहाँ पे? Who the fuck's arrogant? And my dad's like, मैं तो सिर्फ मेरा काम है. I'm like, आपको पता है, आप कुछ भी बोल देते हो, मैं 10 दिन सोचता हूँ उस बारे में. Because you said it. Him being him, he can't really understand that. And I remember just crying for like an hour and a half that day. कि मेरे पापा को समझ ही नहीं आता कि वो किस तरीके से मेरे को traumatize कर देते हैं. In so many ways, he's not even realized. मैं CA student था. That's when he started caring for my education. तो मैं अपना ऐसे सम करके जो भी अकाउंट्स वगैरह के लिख के ले जाता था.
बन गए आप CA?
नहीं, I never finished it.
अच्छा.
I escaped.
Okay.
But मैं लिख के जाता था एंड उसमें कुछ भी गलती होती थी वो रजिस्टर फाड़ देते थे यार. तो मेरे को याद है वो दिन जब ये फटा ना बादल और मैं रोया 1-1.5 घंटा और मेरा रूममेट मेरे को पकड़ के तू ठीक हो जाएगा करके. उसके बाद I've never had that emotion. I think anger is a very important part in processing all of this.
मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है, मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है. जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है ना मैं बहुत कुछ बोल देती हूँ that I don't mean.
तेरे को किसी स्पेसिफिक टाइप के इंसान पे गुस्सा आता है?
नहीं, सब मतलब if I'm in a relationship, एक तो I cannot let things go. Like अगर कोई 1 साल पहले लड़ाई हुई है ना और वो मेरे दिमाग में अभी तक unresolved है तो वो हर लड़ाई में आएगी वो अगले 1 साल तक.
Thank you for proving the point that all men have been trying to make for years.
ठीक है तूने आज अपना गीला टॉवल बेड पे रख दिया बट याद है कैसे तूने मेरे टेक्स्ट का 3 जनवरी को रिप्लाई नहीं करा था 6 घंटे तक.
याद है पर I can't help it.
So that I think.
So you'll get angry at your like loved ones.
Yeah.
Your proximate ones, your unconditional loves.
Yeah.
And then how
even my friends I get like really angry with, but now I just shut off. I stop speaking. मैंने इतना सीख लिया है कि बोलना नहीं है. Then people are like, then there'll be certain type of people just बस बोल दे, कोई बात नहीं, मैं सुन लूंगा. और फिर जब मैं बोलती हूँ तो फिर वो नहीं सुनता.
फिर उनके कान में से खून की एक ड्रॉप गिर रही है यहाँ से.
मुझे नहीं बोलना है भाई.
Damn. तूने गालियाँ देनी कहाँ सीखी? इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में या दिल्ली में?
स्कूल में. कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में.
बैक बेंचेस जो डेस्क के नीचे लिख देते थे ना. ठीक है व्हाइटनर से दिया देख इसने लिख दिया या फक लिख दिया इसने.
मेरे कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में ही सीखी थी. हाँ. See, in school you can either be bullied or be the bully. There is no in between.
That's beautifully said. You're a poet.
There is no in between.
Right.
मैंने ना कल एक कमेंट पढ़ा था कि every time Prakhar laughs, my dog thinks that there's another dog barking in the other room.
इट्स ट्रू. एक दो बार तो मैं भी जैसे अपना रवि गुप्ता वाला पॉडकास्ट लगा के बैठा हूँ और मैं हंसता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ क्या हो गया टिल्लू, बट कोई नहीं होता, वो मेरी हंसी है. हाँ, मेरे इट्स अ फैमिली थिंग, वी ऑल लाफ लाइक दिस. या
But that's so cute.
आई नो, राइट. मेरे को दो ही टाइप के लोग मेरी हंसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. कुछ लोग तो पूछेंगे भैया फेक है असली है, बोलूँ तेरे मुंह पे हंस दूं तो फिर वो डर जाते हैं. एंड सेकंड टाइप ऑफ पीपल आर लाइक भाई आपकी हंसी बड़ी प्योर है भाई. मैं तो हंसी प्योर है, क्या देख रहा है तू, पॉडकास्ट सुन भाई, जा यहाँ से. बट या सो तूने ये बोला, and so you can either be bullied or be the bully in school.
Yeah.
There's no middle ground.
Yeah.
I agree. And sometimes you're both also.
No. How can you be both?
Like, I mean,
some people bully you and then you bully some people.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
I think that's generally where most people are.
Yeah.
तेरे को घूमने का बड़ा चस्का है ना?
हाँ.
नया पैसा है, उड़ा दो सारा घूम के बिजनेस क्लास सीट्स पे.
बट मैं लिटरली किसी चीज पे पैसे खर्च नहीं करती.
मैंने आज तक किसी इंसान को मैं बिजनेस फ्लाई कर रही हूँ इतनी बार 1 मिनट में बोलते नहीं देखा जितना मैंने तेरे को देखा है. तेरे को ना पैसे के साथ एटिकेट सीखना पड़ेगा, ओल्ड मनी एटिकेट.
बट मेरे पास नहीं है ना ओल्ड मनी, न्यू मनी है मेरे पास. मैं क्यों सीखूं एटिकेट?
फिर भी चिल्लाते नहीं है. You have to own it.
अच्छा ओके, नो आई डोंट वांट टू ओन इट.
Okay, what do you want to do with it?
देखो,
हाँ.
मैं इतनी मेहनत से यहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ कि मैं बिजनेस क्लास फ्लाइट ले पाऊँ. Why should I not be happy about it?
No, be happy about it.
Why is being happy cringe?
No, not being happy is not cringe. Please
Why
do
is
not
being
mistake.
excited cringe?
Please do not mistake your cringe behavior for happiness. Happiness is separate, okay? We will not mix the two. And I don't think it's necessarily cringe. I just think you should be a little more subtle about it.
Why?
It'll suit you more.
But like once I do it more often, then I'll be subtle about
This was your first business class, huh?
No, third, fourth.
So how many are we waiting for?
इससे पहले सारी ब्रांड ने पैसे दिए.
अच्छा वो ठीक है. ये तेरे अपने पैसे का था.
हाँ.
Damn.
This was the first.
And was it worth it?
No.
Why? I think it's so worth it.
क्योंकि एक तो मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं. मैंने
सो गई क्या?
फ्लेक्स करने के चक्कर में लॉबस्टर ऑर्डर कर लिया. मेरा पूरा जॉ दर्द करने लग गया. उसके बाद मेरी आंखें फूल गई. मुझे लॉबस्टर से एलर्जी थी आई थिंक. और मैंने अपनी वीडियो में बोला है अगर मुझे लॉबस्टर से एलर्जी हुई तो और फिर लिटरली मुझे लॉबस्टर से
कुछ तो भगवान भी देखता है. थैंक्स. मैं मानता हूँ आपको, कुछ तो भगवान भी देख रहा है.
तो फिर मैं सो गई क्योंकि मुझे इतना ट्रॉमा हो गया कि अब मैं क्या करूँ.
शिट, तूने दवाई नहीं ली
क्या? नहीं.
जब तेरे को एलर्जी सिम्टम्स हुए? You didn't take anything?
नहीं.
Damn, that's
But
really
like मैं
playing hard.
जनरली वो इंसान हो गई, मैं दवाई नहीं लेती.
नहीं बट ब्रो शेलफिश वगैरह की एलर्जी काफी इंटेंस हो जाती हैं. Yeah, you got to be careful with that shit in the future.
But see, I didn't die.
Yeah, well, you survived. हाँ.
तो क्या बात कर रहे थे?
We talk about was it worth it to fly business?
यार मतलब फिर मैं इकोनॉमी में वापस इंडिगो में आई तो तब तो लगा कि हाँ इट वाज वर्थ इट.
इंडिगो में कहाँ?
सॉरी, एयर इंडिया में.
Oh, acha. And you flew economy back.
Yeah.
From London. So you only got one way business. That's all you could afford?
No, it was so expensive. It was 2.5.
इतनी पैक मारी जैसे बिजनेस क्लास में जीती हो, जैसे घर हो इसका बिजनेस क्लास में. मैं बिजनेस जा रही हूँ एक तरफ वापस इकोनॉमी में आई है. So what was your favorite place जो तू अभी तक के experiences में spend किया है? Tell me about your travels. Where all have you been?
I think my favorite place overall is Bali.
Yeah.
I can keep going back to Bali and it's very convenient to go. People are great. Language is not an issue. So Bali अगर मुझे हर महीने जाना है मैं जा सकती हूँ. But I loved London. I absolutely loved Prague. And Ibiza.
Yeah.
Ibiza is, I think Ibiza was meant for me.
Right.
I want to go back.
Where
And
will you
Tomorrowland
stay?
I want to do every year.
Every year. I actually have a recommendation for you because I saw your reel, the one you did for Tomorrowland. Do Tomorrowland Winter this year.
Yeah?
Yeah, 110% better.
Okay.
So Tomorrowland Winter, I'll tell you the story, is basically they do this in the French Alps.
Yeah.
South of France, about 9 hours driving from Paris. 9 to 10 hours driving from Paris. And it's in a village at the top of a mountain.
Yeah.
The village is called Alpe d'Huez. And I think the attendance is a fraction of what you see in Tomorrowland. But you're in a ski resort. Okay, so all morning you can ski or you can take those ski lifts all the way to the top और वहाँ ऊपर भी party हो रही है. They have stages up there as well.
Wow.
And once in the afternoon it shuts off, you come down to the village. वो पूरा village is your Tomorrowland village. So in the morning you ski, in the evening you party. And it goes on until 1, 2 a.m.
But what an incredible experience, Tomorrowland.
Of course.
Who came up with, like, I went to Tomorrowland expecting a lot. And I went there and it just exceeded all my expectations. It does not look that it's from this universe. It's so good.
Yeah.
And I love music festivals. Like, I love the experience of concerts, people getting together to celebrate music and an artist. And, wo pura shared experience where everybody's
too.
kind of feeling the same emotion.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. You were asking me how I do long distance. This is how we do it. We take out a year, जैसे पिछला साल था, we divide the year in all the music festivals we have to go to and then plan trips around it.
Yes.
So हम तो सिर्फ यही करते हैं. We did well, she would agree. Yeah. We did Crossed in San Diego, which is by the beach in San Diego, which I think is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. यहाँ ocean है, यहाँ 3 stage लगे हुए हैं. The best musicians in the world are playing, and you dance with your loved one.
भाई है आपका जो
मेरा
मेरे
भाइयों की शादियां हो चुकी हैं, मैं लास्ट बचा हूँ. बट हाँ, मिल जाएंगे, आसपास मिल जाएंगे, तू टेंशन मत ले, मैं 1-2 लोगों को फोन करता हूँ उसके बाद. ठीक है. We did Tomorrowland Winter, which I highly recommend, and what a great experience. The whole feel of the village, because I've never been to regular Belgium wala Tomorrowland.
You should go.
I think it's a little bit overdone.
No. Just go.
My friends were doing it 10 years ago, and like tab it was still relevant-ish.
I don't know. I have new money, so I get happy with everything.
No, but I'm also older na. I'm like about that much older than you are.
Bro, so we went to Tomorrowland and हमारे साथ एक couple था, like my friends of friends, and they're like 55, 56, both of them, and they are like dancing for 14-15 hours straight, not getting tired, walking 6-7 kilometers a day, doing एक पूरे टाइम एक दूसरे के मुंह के अंदर घुसे हुए हैं, इंडिया का झंडा लहरा रहे हैं. एंड इफ दैट इज नॉट द लव आई हैव, आई डोंट वांट इट. लाइक मेरा परसेप्शन बदल गया. Like 55, 56 is where my parents are at.
Yeah, right.
मैं मम्मी को बोलूँ कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक चलना है, मम्मी मना करते हैं.
पापा के साथ रेव पे जाओ और बिल्कुल हाउस म्यूजिक सुन के नाचो. बजो मम्मी बजो. Right. I can't imagine that either.
Yeah.
I have a feeling my parents will really enjoy music festival, but I don't think I'm going to take
I really want to take my parents for Coldplay.
अच्छा भी जो है.
मेरे भाई को जाना है तो उसको मैं लेके जा रही हूँ, बट मम्मी तो नहीं मान रही है आने के लिए.
I think concerts are a different way. I'm not a big fan of concerts. I'm a huge fan of music festivals.
Why?
Okay, so I went to Karan Aujla here in Delhi, which was... Regardless, you're never really dancing. It's never really social at concerts. जैसे I've seen some in MSG, etc. You're generally sitting in a chair. I've seen Pink Floyd in concert live. I've seen Roger Waters. I grew up listening to Roger Waters. I remember sitting there crying, as a matter of fact. Crying because I'm seeing my childhood hero perform and I'm like, I can't even jump. मैं chair पे बैठा हूँ. So music festivals are much more social. You're walking around. People are stupider by एक standard deviation stupid होते हैं लोग वहाँ ज़्यादा. तो थोड़े ज़्यादा मजे आते हैं. But I think music festivals are great and I think अभी इंडिया में उस लेवल पे हो नहीं रहे हैं. But फटेगा सीन.
अगर मेरे पास बहुत अंधा पैसा आ गया, मैं कुछ Tomorrowland जैसा बनाना चाहूँगी इंडिया में. Do you want to have kids?
Sure. I don't know what else to do with my time.
So time pass.
बच्चे को
थप्पड़ जड़ दिया, ट्रॉमा दे दिया उसको.
नहीं,
अभी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है उसका.
दिस इज अ वेरी रियल क्वेश्चन. मेरे जितने दोस्त शादीशुदा है ना, उनसे उनकी वाइफ से मैं जरूर ये पूछता हूँ, या उनके हस्बैंड से, व्हाट ट्रॉमा डू यू वांट टू गिव योर किड्स?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
I don't want to give any trauma to my kids.
You know that's unhelpable, right? There is going to be some trauma.
No.
You just get to pick what trauma you'll give your kids.
Zero trauma.
Try doing that. They
right
hate
now,
you. Trust me.
I don't want to have kids.
Oh shit, you're that traumatized.
No, I think it really depends on एक तो who you marry and how it's looking and यार अगर तुम if you both fall out of love and you get divorced तो अलग ट्रॉमा हो जाएगा बच्चे के पास. अगर वो बाद में बच्चे को मारने लग गया तो अलग ट्रॉमा. So there's just too many factors involved in raising a kid. So it really scares me कि मुझे नहीं responsibility लेनी है ना इतनी बड़ी कि अब एक इंसान का पूरा विकसित करना पड़ेगा उसे. तो खुद ही विकसित नहीं हो पा रही हूँ.
तेरे को genuinely ऐसा लगता है कि तू इस वजह से बच्चे नहीं करेगी?
हाँ.
I feel it's a cop out.
But अभी तो लगता है. But of course like I can change the way I think.
Sure.
But right now, no.
I think if you start with the question, what trauma do I want to give my kid? And if you're honest about it, you will not have these issues.
I don't want to give any trauma to my kids. That's the problem. I am so scared of traumatizing my kids.
It's because you're too close to your own trauma.
I don't know. Therapist, sir.
And I genuinely...
confidence जो जवाब दिए जा रहे हैं प्रखर.
No, और मेरे को सच में ऐसा लगता है कि you can't avoid it. Like your kid is going to be traumatized. You just get to pick what it is going to be.
What trauma do you want to give your kids?
I want to make him feel insufficient. So like
you just transferring whatever your dad gave you.
My dad maybe never not insufficient. Maybe I don't know if I would describe it like that. I think my dad just he just had expectations. That's how I'd say. मैं योगराज सिंह का podcast वो सुन रहा था समदीश वाला. I was like that's kind of like him. But But yeah, I mean, I think also, yeah, insufficiency is probably what I'd go for because it could get worse.
Yeah.
You know, the traumas from there get worse. Insufficiency ठीक है, कर लेगा, sufficient हो जाएगा, कोई लड़की उसको विश्वास करा देगी है तू काफी, चल जाएगी उसकी. But at least we are settling on something safe there, you know.
भाभी को पता है आपके प्लान के बारे में?
या पागल है, मैं तेरे को लगता है मैं छुपाता हूँ ये सारी बातें.
अच्छा.
कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा,
भाभी
कभी तो
okay
मारना
है
पड़ेगा.
इसके साथ?
ओके कह सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
कह सकते हैं कि ऐसा कुछ ओकेनेस है. देख, मैं हमेशा इसको ऐसे जोक में बोल के छोड़ देता हूँ, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस थिंग. यू ऑलवेज गोइंग टू गिव योर किड्स सम ट्रॉमा. यू बेटर थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू बी, अदरवाइज एक्सीडेंटली हो जाएगा.
And you're saying कि accidentally तो आप कुछ करोगे नहीं. This is the trauma you pick and this is the only thing that you'll do.
Yeah, I mean, you can't program. You can't be like, अरे काश मेरे बच्चे को insufficiency हो जाए. ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते आप, ठीक है? But like again, एक broad theme हो सकता है आपके दिमाग में when you're going into parenting. I think that's what parenting should begin. This idea that you can protect your kids from everything, I don't think that's going to happen.
Okay.
I think it's completely impossible. And if you're not going to traumatize your kid, the world will.
Okay. Good to know.
I've thought out this meme questions. I've really thought this question out because I once got into an argument. I didn't think somebody would take it seriously. I was saying this to my friend's wife, and she's like, "What do you mean traumatize my kid? Huh? I've been so traumatized in my life. I don't want to traumatize no one's kid." I was like, "Think about it, sister. सोच के देख. तेरे को लगता है तेरे घर वाले सोच रहे तेरे को ट्रॉमा देंगे? Because you know, and then eventually it got to a point where you're
पर
like,
घर वाले सोचते भी तो नहीं है ना. मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा था कि इससे पहले घर वाले सोच रहे थे बच्चे पैदा करने से पहले कि क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रहने वाली है हमारी.
पापा ने बोला रात का देखते हैं, जब बच्चा हो जाएगा फिर देख लेंगे वहां से, आज रात का सॉल्व करते हैं. नहीं यार, I am very interested. The more I've grown up, the more I feel like closer to my father than to my younger self. In that conflict, I begin to understand him more. What's your ideal man?
जिंदा हो.
किस टाइप की लाशों के साथ बैठ रही है?
जिंदा हो लड़का हो यार. मारे वारे ना.
Oh bro, ये honesty क्यों नहीं है लड़कियों में? What else?
यार ऑनेस्टली फनी हो थोड़ा सा, बहुत सीरियस ना हो लाइफ को लेके. मतलब भाई पॉलिटिक्स डिस्कस करनी है रोज रात को, नहीं हो पाएगा यार, मुझे नहीं पता. ठीक है, तो मुझे वैसा नहीं चाहिए. मजे करने आने चाहिए ना उसे. हर चीज़ को इतना सीरियस ना ले, लाइफ को इतना सीरियसली ना ले. एम्पथी हो, ड्राइव हो कुछ करने की. मेरे जितने पैसे कमाता हो,
तेरे से कम नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं, थोड़ा कम चलेगा. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि if we are on a trip and I want to eat at a certain place, he thinks कि
It's too expensive.
Yeah.
And is he supposed to pay for it, or are you completely okay with?
No,
both of
I am
you?
completely okay paying for it. But the thing I have observed is कि लड़के फिर अपनी ईगो पे लेने लग जाते हैं वो वाली चीज़, and then they secretly start hitting you. तो
Interesting.
Yeah. तो
So you let the guy pay for his
no.
betterment.
Yeah, but I have always split everything with everybody. No guy has ever paid for me.
So you're saying वो एक level कम नहीं होना चाहिए तेरे से, roughly same range में 10-20% ऊपर नीचे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So you should have the same social strata and same spending habits in a certain way. Right. And physically
anything.
he should be tall, short.
anything's
You don't
fine.
care, skinny, built.
No, anything is fine.
You don't have a specific taste when it comes to that. And do you have a taste when it comes to personality, specific way?
Yeah, funny होना चाहिए.
बस.
Funny बहुत important
And you don't
है.
care.
And empathetic होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, and you don't care if he is
Street smart होना चाहिए. I don't care उसे गणित आता है नहीं आता है, उसे जीके आती है नहीं आती है. But I hate dumb people, like जिनके साथ ट्रिप पे जाके मौत आ जाती है, उन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि क्या करना है. They'll behave like a child. Usually.
like, what do you mean? Give me an example. Say something specific.
So I did travel with somebody who
Somebody was dating.
Yeah. He didn't know currency conversion. उसे नहीं पता है कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजैक्शन कैसे ऑन करते हैं. उसे नहीं पता है कि कितने % फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज है, फॉरेक्स कार्ड क्या होता है, फेरी कैसे पकड़नी है, ये सब. तो
That's a problem.
Yeah.
You can't handle yourself in the
जुगाड़ू
environment.
होना चाहिए भाई कि मतलब अगर गाड़ी पंचर हो गई तो रोने ना बैठ जाए. नेक्स्ट स्टेप बस थोड़े जुगाड़ू स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट्स तो लोग आई लव. लाइक आई फाइंड इट सो अट्रैक्टिव इफ यू कैन गेट योर सेल्फ आउट ऑफ एनीथिंग. नथिंग इज मोर अट्रैक्टिव देन दैट. लाइक वाओ
कि आपके पास तरकीबें हैं, फुल पावर.
हाँ, लाइक आप बात कर सकते हो जाके लोगों से. किसी को भी लाइक जस्ट
Have you ever been lost in a foreign country? Like lost?
No.
No, okay. And you've only traveled to Bali and England right now, no?
No, I've traveled Bali, Thailand, Singapore, Dubai, Maldives.
So countries around
lot
here.
of places in
Sure.
Europe.
Sure. Okay.
US नहीं गई हूँ मैं, US जाना है, वीजा नहीं लग पा रहा है.
कोशिश कर ली?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
मैंने एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये कर दी कि मेरे को था कि मम्मी पापा को साथ में लेके जाना है, तो मैंने चारों का इकट्ठे लगवा दिया. मतलब चारों का इकट्ठे अप्लाई करा दिया. नॉट डैड ऑल्सो वर्क्स, मॉम ऑल्सो वर्क्स, भाई का भी स्कूल है, तो वो डेट बॉम्बे आना 4-5 दिन के लिए ये सब करना वो मिल ही नहीं पा रही है.
No, the reason I was asking is because I understand what you mean by somebody who can talk. I actually had, जब मैं CA कर रहा था, उसके बाद भी 2-4 साल तक मेरे को एक बहुत क्रेजी ट्रैवल फेज था मेरी लाइफ में. एंड आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ दिस कंट्री बाय माई सेल्फ बैकपैकिंग, एंड देन आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो बाय माई सेल्फ बैकपैकिंग. एंड आई नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. बीइंग अ स्विस नाइफ सोशली, तुम यू कैन बी लिटरली लाइक, आई हैव मोमेंट्स वेयर आई एम लाइक, भाई मैं यहाँ आ कैसे गया, अब मैं यहाँ से निकलूंगा कैसे. मेरे को एक बारी एक फ्लाइट, मेरी फ्लाइट्स फ्री होती थी, मेरा एक दोस्त एयरलाइंस के लिए काम करता था, मेरे को किसी भी फ्लाइट पे बैठा सकता था, बट मेरे को गेट पे अप्रूवल लेना होता था. सो राइट बिफोर यू सिट ऑन द प्लेन, जहाँ पे वो लोग लास्ट में फाड़ते हैं ना, दे वुड से यस प्रखर यू हैव अ सीट. वहां तक मैं फ्री में घुस सकता था, बट वंस दे सेड यस. सो आई रिमेंबर आई वाज स्टक इन पैनामा एंड नेक्स्ट डे कुछ हो गया था. आई हैड टू बी, दिस वाज द लास्ट फ्लाइट फॉर 3 days एंड आई हैड टू कन्विंस द एयर होस्टेस प्लीज मेरे को बैठने दो. और उस दिन मैंने अपने अंदर की सारी ताकतें लगा दी थी उसको कि मान जा बहन प्लीज आज बैठने दे, 3 दिन पैनामा में फंस जाऊंगा, स्पेनिश बोलनी भी नहीं आती. सो आई नो दैट स्किल सेट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल सेट बिकॉज लाइफ गेट्स ब्रॉडर देन योर सिटी द मोर यू ग्रो अप, एंड इट शुड गेट ब्रॉडर देन योर सिटी. There's a whole wide world out there. But you don't have any specific icks, something somebody does that you don't like?
No.
पान खाने वाले लड़के चलेंगे?
छी नहीं.
आया ना
मतलब
फिर
obviously.
और बता ना. छी.
यार बहुत ज्यादा मम्मा's boy
एक तो that means such a healthy relationship.
can't. It's okay.
एक तो बाप से बनती नहीं किसी लड़के की वैसे ही.
यार but like there are guys who will ask their mom for validation on everything. Now I don't want your mom to be a part of our relationship.
No, very soon it will become you. That's how you should see it.
No. It never is that.
One day accidentally he's in the bedroom, he says mommy, you know, like that will happen.
My God.
But you can ignore those instances for the rest of it, no?
No.
No, okay. ठीक है. Just checking.
No.
What else?
What? Nothing, yeah.
So there's no other ick. So there's morning
No,
issues.
and like, you know, guys who are like, let's say, stuck in a bad job or like in a bad situation, and all they do is just complain. And you can take that complaining to a certain extent. Like, sure, I complain about my work, but I'm also doing something to constantly evolve and change those factors causing problems. People who are stuck in a problem and continue to stay stuck in that problem, and they're fully grown adults and are not getting out of it, I don't understand. Like, I can't help you. तो मुझे वो बहुत लगता है.
What do you think is a guy's ideal relationship orientation towards you? उसको तेरी like what is the relationship he should have with you? How should he see you?
I don't know.
You've not thought of that?
नहीं.
Okay. What's been your best relationship up until? Can you think of it? You don't have to say. Can you think of it?
Yeah.
And what was that like? Describe it for me.
We traveled a lot.
Sure. That seems to be a big theme in your life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We traveled a lot and yeah, I think we spoke a lot about life. We were very similar in certain ways.
And in that relationship, he was like your friend?
Yeah.
He was like your friend, best friend.
But that's the thing. Women usually want their guys to be best friends, but guys don't want girls to be their best friends.
You mean in a relationship?
उन्हें पत्नी चाहिए और लड़कियों को दोस्त चाहिए.
In my experience, लड़कियों को भी पति चाहिए. दोस्त क्या चाहिए?
दोस्त चाहिए.
क्या करना है बैठ के?
बकचोदी.
ऊनो खेलना है साथ में? नहीं, but I'm being serious. Like in the sense that I can admit the fact कि मर्दों को पत्नी चाहिए. In the sense, I think she should serve and what is the word? Even protect my spiritual life. You know, like, and my job is to protect and make sure I provide the right environment for her to blossom. That's how I see it. That's the relationship conception I have. कि I'll do the raw material ताकि you enjoy the world's best music and dance. Right? Like that kind of thing. तो मेरे को उस सेंस में पत्नी चाहिए, हाँ. बट उसको भी पति चाहिए. I don't think उसको दोस्त चाहिए. दोस्त का क्या करेगी? दोस्त तो बहुत होंगे.
मुझे तो दोस्त, यार प्यार में दोस्ती तो होनी चाहिए.
So casual of you.
But it is true. एटलीस्ट आई थिंक इट्स ट्रू. फिर मैं भी हो जाऊंगी इतनी बड़ी और मेरी भी शादी होने वाली होगी तो मैं बोलूंगी कि हाँ शायद पति ही चाहिए, पर क्या पता.
चल चुपचाप लाइन में लग, पैसा दे, ATM दे अपना, ऐसे बोलिए उससे.
नहीं भाई, मैं किसी के पैसों पे कभी नहीं जीना चाहती. दैट्स अ वेरी ट्रिकी सिचुएशन टू बी इन.
Yeah, you've already been there.
It changes the power dynamic completely.
Right.
Completely.
What's your understanding of success? Like, what's your definition? What's your cutoff?
Money wise.
Sure, in any case, like, what do you think is success?
यार I think having enough money to do whatever you want without thinking, but also having a lot of satisfaction in what you're doing and enjoying the work that you do, plus having people to share happiness with. I think दुख तुम फिर भी किसी के साथ बांट सकते हो, but आज 1 crore की डील लॉक हो गई तो who's the person you would call who would not be jealous of you and would actually be happy for you? वैसे लोग होने चाहिए लाइफ में. और
And that gets fewer, huh? As you go up.
Yeah, for sure.
It gets weirder.
Yeah.
You see the reactions change a little bit every time you tell
all
them.
of my friends who are not creators, I know are just somewhere not happy because this career pays quite a lot.
Yeah.
As compared to a normal job. Now, my friends doing a normal job, they obviously think that I don't deserve this. They obviously think कि मैं ऐसा क्या काम कर रही हूँ कि मुझे इतना पैसा मिले. And it slowly like starts translating and showing. For the first few years, you just don't want to believe in it only कि तुम्हारे दोस्त कैसे jealous हो सकते हैं, तुम्हारे दोस्त कैसे तुम्हारा बुरा चाह सकते हैं, but it's there.
You have to learn to ignore it to keep those friendships.
No, I have to stop keeping those friendships, bro.
I find that there is a specific utility to having friends who, like, I don't hang out with any of the influencer crowd. Very rarely, if I'm in Bombay, I'll say hello, whatever.
Yeah.
But I'm super happy. I think this influencer network can be very much like high school. सबको पता है सब क्या कर रहे हैं, सब gossip करते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में. Like, that's been my impression. I like the fact that I hang out with people who've known me forever, who don't give a shit who I am.
Yeah.
Sometimes I will see jealousy.
Yeah.
I choose to ignore it क्योंकि थोड़े टाइम में ये iron out हो जाएगी.
Yeah.
But at least these people, they don't treat me any different from what they've treated me throughout my life. That's part of the reason why I enjoy living here quite a lot. All my friends from before are friends of me now. कोई ऐसा issue है ही नहीं. But I mean, of course, you were moving around, so you didn't have a lot of. I've known these guys 30 years now at this point, or whatever, 28 years.
Yeah, that used to make me really sad. पर मैं रो नहीं सकती हूँ ना इस बारे में. मैं कहाँ से उठा के लाऊं दोस्त? बचपन से नहीं है, ठीक है. Moving on, अब क्या कर सकते हैं?
Right. I know what you're saying. इतना कोई बहुत बड़ा लॉस भी नहीं है.
Yeah. But I think नहीं, but वैसे भी people think that influencer friendships are fake, and yes, sure, to a certain extent वो high school वाला behavior है. People bitch about people. That's true, but that's true for everything in life. Then you find उन बहुत सारे लोगों में से 1% लोग जो है तुम्हारे लिए अच्छे.
Sure.
And then you become friends with them.
Sure. If I move to Bombay, I'm sure I'll find like a group of friends for myself.
Yeah.
मैं तो
Do you want to move to Bombay?
I'm not excited about it.
But will you?
I may have to.
Okay.
Depending on where my career takes me.
Okay.
So it's a question of more pragmatic concerns than what I wish for. I don't want to live. देख मेरे को घर पसंद है because मैं बहुत टाइम घर वालों के साथ नहीं रहा. My relationship with my parents got healed largely because of the distance. जब वो distance create हुआ ना, उस लड़ाई को करने की जगह पूरी हो गई और उससे heal करने का टाइम पूरा हो गया. धीमे धीमे करके वो सारे relationships heal हो गए. And then anyone who lives abroad, especially people who are capable, जो पिस नहीं रहे हैं, जो टिम हॉर्टन्स में शायद लगे हुए इसलिए लग गए हैं क्योंकि चले गए कनाडा, पता नहीं था अब टिम हॉर्टन्स में, वो नहीं, जो पढ़ाई करने गया, जो अपना काम कर रहा है, जिसको पता है वो केपेबल है, दे ऑल मिस होम. And they don't miss home because home is better than where they are.
Yeah.
They miss home because they realize they can have what they want and they've chosen not home. That's a big one. And I've seen that guilt lurk in the back of their eyes quite a lot. तो मेरे को भी guilt था. Now that I'm here, I enjoy being at home. चाहे 10 मिनट मिलूं, चाहे मैं अपने कुत्ते को 5 मिनट थप्पड़ मार लूं खुशी से, ओए बस, that's all, right? मैं अपनी बहन से literally शायद 2 सेंटेंस बात करता हूँ, खाना बोल दे और प्लेट उठवा दे, बस ये 2 बात बोलता हूँ, but at least I'm around, right?
Yeah. I तो really want to move abroad. Yeah.
See, that's what I mean.
मुझे तो MBA करना है. That's the easiest way out.
Sure.
मतलब क्या करूँ मैं वहाँ जाके? How do you suddenly find people when you move to a new country? Through college, through work. Now मेरे पास कोई ऐसा crazy skill set है नहीं कि कोई मुझे नौकरी दे रहा है बाहर. So I want to study for 2 more years, live that college life abroad, see how that's like, meet new people, live abroad.
Makes sense.
And I think life is so comfortable here.
It can be.
But okay, in the career that we're in, any contact you need is one phone call away. You can find a contact for anybody. Somebody will know somebody.
Dude, access is insane. You
Exactly.
can have anything you want.
Exactly. तो जब तुम्हारे पास हर चीज़ का access है इस country में, you have a house help who lives with you, you're living in Bombay, which is I think the best city that this country can offer.
Sure.
According, see,
It's
women's
arguable.
safety
Sure.
wise
Yeah.
and
No,
everything.
no doubt.
Yeah.
It's a very progressive city.
Yeah.
People are far more appetizing than they are in
Yeah.
Delhi. Yes, I agree.
I always dreamt of being an actor. Like I have done theatre in college. I really enjoyed theatre. मैंने बहुत stage plays किए हैं. And as a normal person getting into Bollywood is so difficult.
Sure.
इतने auditions देते हो आप, इतने auditions
दिए
देते हो,
तूने?
इतने auditions देते हो. यार मुझे ऑनेस्टली मेहनत तो करनी बहुत पसंद नहीं है लाइफ में, ठीक है. तो मैंने जब तक आई डिड नॉट हैव दिस, आई नेवर ऑडिशनड फॉर एनीथिंग. आई थिंक आई गिव 2-3 ऑडिशंस. जब क्लास के ऑडिशंस हो रहे थे मैंने वो दिया था. तो मैंने वैसे 2-3 ऑडिशंस दिए हैं, बट नॉट अ लॉट. बट वंस आई बिकेम अ कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अनफेयर दैट यू हैव मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड व्हाट अ नॉर्मल समबडी डज इन बॉलीवुड. मुझे खुद से सामने से ऑडिशंस आते हैं. मैंने बहुत ऑडिशंस दिए हैं. मेरा अभी शो भी आ रहा है. कल
crazy.
मैंने उसका टीजर डाला है. इट्स अ मिनी शो ऑन यूट्यूब. तो लाइक just the opportunities are insane. Any dream that I have, I can fulfill it. I know I just have to work a little hard and it'll be done. So
What an insane position to be in, right?
yeah, I mean, of course, अगर
At
मैं
23, I can just work for 5 days and my dream is fulfilled.
no, not work for 5 days, but it is an unfair advantage.
Over what? Over the others?
Over the others, obviously. Like लोगों को इतना गुस्सा आता है कि क्यों इन्फ्लुएंसर रैप चल रहा है, क्यों इन्फ्लुएंसर एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
Sure.
मुझे भी गुस्सा आता, पर अब मैं उस पोजीशन में हूँ तो मैं क्या बोलूँ. नहीं यार, बाकी लोगों को गुस्सा आने वाला है तो आई वुड लाइक टू पोलाइटली डिक्लाइन. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट.
Sure.
मैं गाली खा लूंगी, बट एटलीस्ट लेट मी.
Well, how many years do you think will this last?
What?
This influencer first audience culture? मतलब influencers are getting access to all of this. मतलब I think it's a very changing ecosystem. In the
यार
sense,
बट अभी तो करेगा. बिकॉज इवन इफ यू स्पीक टू एक्टर्स, एंड आई हैव स्पोकन टू क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स दैट आई हैव मेट ऑन सेट, ऑल कास्टिंग प्रोसीजर्स नाउ रिक्वायर यू टू टेल कि तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, तुम्हारी सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस क्या है. ऑल बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज आर पोस्टिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज इट इज अ की एलिमेंट. वरना क्यों, वाई डज अ जानवी कपूर, अ खुशी कपूर नीड टू पोस्ट? You need to stay relevant on social media. तो then I think at least 5-6 साल तो चलेगा ये.
Interesting. Because I think पहले social media people began as प्यादे कि ठीक है इनसे हम प्रमोशन करा लेंगे. अब
Yeah.
धीमे धीमे उन सब लोगों को they're starting to include in the cast. पहले side cast थे बहुत सारे.
Yeah.
फिर अब धीमे धीमे मेन कास्ट होने लग रहे हैं काफी
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया स्टार्स इन these sort of mini shows. And so it's really beginning to ask the question, जो legacy fame था,
हाँ.
जो आपको हैंड डाउन होता था, जो PR मशीनरीज
Yeah.
इकट्ठा करके रखती थी आपके लिए,
Yeah.
वर्सेस ये जो 4 बातें कर ली शीशे के सामने और फेमस हो गए, इनका फ्यूचर क्या है? Because I don't know, and I'm sure there's differential treatment to that effect
Of
also.
course there is. But the thing is कि even if you're a creator, there's only like specific roles that you get casted into.
Like
Main character's
heroine,
best friend. Yeah, stuff like that. But
That'll die. I don't think that'll last.
yeah, but whatever opportunity I to get, I love acting. तो I'm like ठीक है, whatever. क्या ऑडियंस 4 गाली देगी ना? क्या हुआ, मूवी में काम कर लिया, गाली तो खा रही है, हे 4 ही तो डायलॉग हैं. 4 तो हैं, तुम्हारे कहाँ हैं?
मैं पहला इंसान देखा जो अपनी ऑडियंस से कंपटीशन में है.
मैं अपनी ऑडियंस से नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी ऑडियंस मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती है.
हाँ.
If you see my page, there is no hate. I don't
I see
get
what you mean.
hate.
I see what you mean. On secondary pages that circulate your content,
Yeah.
there's insane hate, huh?
Guys in their living rooms making 18-minute hate videos about me, sure. My comment section, never.
मैं पू, ये कौन है जिसने पू को हेट कर दिया? मैं क्या करूं? I get it.
Like, मुझे नहीं पता. मैं तो बीच में सोचा था कि कोई भी मुझसे पॉडकास्ट से पूछा करेगा ना, आपको हेट आता है, आपको कैसा लगता है, मैं बोलूंगी कौन सा हेट? मुझे हेट?
बिल्कुल हैरान हो जाए.
मैं चेंज कर दूंगी लोगों का नैरेटिव की मुझे हेट कहाँ दिख रहा है, दिखाओ, पुल इट अप.
Actually, can you? Let's make this case right now. End this narrative.
Oh my God.
What is your relationship with God like? Do you have a relationship with God?
Yeah, very weirdly. So I first absolutely hated the concept कि मंदिर जाओ पूजा करो. क्यों करूँ भाई, कहाँ है proof दिखाओ. Like I was a cool girl like that. Where's God? Show me the proof. Then the more I looked at my mom and she like really believes in Sai Bhagwan. ठीक है, anything that happens she's like, oh, he'll fix it. And that is such a good way of looking at life क्योंकि I don't believe in God and my only option is me. I have to save myself from every situation, which is really bad for me because मेरे पास उतना resources नहीं है एक तो खुद को बचाने के लिए, ना उतना दिमाग है. When you start believing in God, you believe in this higher power who's looking out for you, and that is such a good feeling to have because the worst way to feel about anything is feeling lonely कि तुम्हारा कोई नहीं है, तुम्हारे लिए कोई नहीं है. So I think believing in God really solves a lot of your mental stress. Have I started believing in God? I don't know. When I was on the show that I cannot speak about, every night I would pray to God कि please मुझे मत मारना, like in the show. And every day I can die, like literally I can die today. And I've never prayed to God कि मुझे आज मत मारना. And that's when I realized कि when I actually know कि चीज़ें मेरे control में नहीं है, then I'm ready to believe in God, which is so weird. And that like now I just don't hate my mom when she says कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. I respect her. I think slowly I will find something to believe in. Right now I'm a little lost.
For somebody who's 23, you've come very far in thinking about God. Very rarely have I seen people conceptualize the role of God in their lives, because the problem is believing in God is very often the antidote to arrogance. Because you have to believe मैं सब देख लूंगा, और एक हवा का झोंका आता है ना, आदमी की फट जाती है. Then God, but yeah, also God is a matter of convenience ना.
But like every time I want to pray, I feel so guilty because I've spent 23 years saying I don't believe in something, and now when I need something I'm like भगवान जी. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर भगवान जी हैं तो कहने की नहीं भाई, बहुत लोग
और भगवान ये कह रहा है भाई सुन, वो मेरे से कह रहा है कि मेरे को कैंसर हो गया, मेरे को उससे बचा लो. कोई मेरे को कह रहा है भगवान मेरे माँ बाप के पास खाने को रोटी कपड़ा नहीं है, वो दे दो. ये मेरे को मरने मत देना गेम शो में प्लीज. इसकी सबसे टॉप पे रिक्वेस्ट जा रही है. इन्फ्लुएंसर है ना, आप पहले अप्रूव कर दो ये वाली. मेरे को मरने मत देना गेम शो में.
Like I really want to pray, but every time I pray I'm just like I don't think I should be.
I should do God dirty like that.
Yeah, like I don't think भगवान मेरी सुनेगा. एक तो these are petty first world problems.
Right.
भगवान जी फ्लाइट मत छूटने देना. क्या हो गया अगर मैं 2 घंटे ज्यादा सो ली तो? like भगवान क्या करे ब्रो, गेट अ ग्रिप.
उसके लिए तो कोई मिनिस्टर को कॉल कर, वो हो जाती है, रुक जाती है फ्लाइट.
I'll call you now that you have ministers on your podcast.
Yeah, well, I wish I had that kind of power. That'd be pretty cool. I think if I were to be bilkul shameless about money and dreaming about money, I think I'd want private. Man, I can't. How long can you fly commercially?
Yeah.
कभी भी जाओ, कभी टेंशन नहीं. एयरपोर्ट पे जिस तरीके से किसी भी इंसान को ट्रीट करा जाता है, कोई तरीका है ट्रीट करने का? ऐसे किसी को ट्रीट नहीं करना चाहिए. आपकी मिस हो गई फ्लाइट, हम क्या करें? तुमने इतनी लंबी लाइन क्यों लगा रखी है? तुम्हारी प्रोसेसिंग तेज क्यों नहीं हो रही है? एयरपोर्ट से तो मेरी बड़ी खफा है यार. और एक तो मैं हर हफ्ते फ्लाई करता हूँ.
Same. It's really bad.
Damn,
This
bro.
is my 8th flight of the year.
Already?
Yeah.
Wait, where have you been in the last 10 days?
पहले तो मैं 2 फ्लाइट लेके यूरोप से आई, फिर मैं घर गई, फिर मैं घर से यहाँ आई, फिर मैं घर से बॉम्बे आई, फिर मैं बैंगलोर गई, फिर मैं बैंगलोर से बॉम्बे आई, अब मैं यहाँ हूँ. तो
Damn, bro, that's the one downside about this life. It's too much flying.
And it's such petty travel. Like it's not even fun travel. Like taking a flight to be somewhere.
Yeah. You're literally coming to Delhi.
Yeah.
फरीदाबाद at that. मैं फरीदाबाद की फ्लाइट ले रही हूँ. That's not glamorous.
Yeah,
I know. I feel similarly क्योंकि मैं लोखंड वाला जा रहा हूँ. क्या लोखंड वाला के लिए सुबह उठ के एयरपोर्ट तक जा रहे हैं. I know exactly. It's not fun.
Yeah, and you can't even like complain about it publicly because what a privilege to fly.
Privilege to fly. You make so many lakhs. People spend a year making for flying that one flight and making a reel.
Yeah.
We are not allowed to complain.
We are not allowed to complain.
No. We are barely allowed to dream in public. Complain to zero hai.
Yeah.
We can't do any of that. People will hate us for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, God is a matter of convenience generally. I agree. Most people.
But my mom really truly believes in God on the good days and the bad days. So if I have to believe in God, I hope it's like hers, where it's very selfless and all encompassing and just beautiful.
Yeah, I know.
She has a very beautiful relationship.
That's
like she's
beautiful.
not scared of God.
Are
My
you?
dad is very scared of God.
What do you mean scared? Like ऐसा मत करना वरना ऐसा हो जाएगा types?
हाँ. My mom sees God as this really beautiful entity that's just there for us.
Beautiful.
We'll call and he'll be like, coming babe.
Solved.
Solved.
Don't worry about it too much.
Yeah.
मैंने क्या पसीना देखा तुम्हारे माथे पे? हटाओ इसको. That's what God is doing.
And I think she gets it from my nanu. And my nanu was, I think, the best person I knew. He got cancer twice.
Those are very odd sentences to follow with each other. Huh?
Yeah, but even like I think till his last breath. So on his funeral, there were I think around 700 people, and we didn't call 700 people. These were people just he knew जिनको वो खाना खिलाते थे and उनके पास पैसे नहीं थे. वो खुद नहीं खाते थे but वो दूसरों को खिलाते थे. He used to believe in Mata Rani a lot. He had so much strength, like even on his like last day. वो सबसे बात कर रहे थे, वो खाना खा रहे थे. He knew he was going. He held everybody's hand. Said मैं माता रानी से बात कर लूँगा, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Like he just believed in God so much that it gave him so much strength.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Yeah. I have 2 questions. One of which is, what is your end game for 2025? What are you looking forward to this year? What should people look forward to from you this year?
This year I've decided that I'm a hot girl. So I'm going to look really hot this year. That's my first goal. This year I want all physical insecurities gone. Nose job, दांत ठीक करा लूँ, सब कुछ कर लूँ.
Show me. Turn your profile. What's wrong with your nose? It's too
I have
long.
a very fat nose. So I want to get like a thin nose. Plus I have a deviated septum. So,
Everybody has a DNS.
No, तो एक तो यहाँ पे there's this bump, ठीक है, on my nose and it hurts also and I can't breathe properly. Like एक तो मैं भाग नहीं सकती because I only breathe through my mouth. I cannot breathe through my nose. I want to get that fixed. Like I just want it out of the way.
Actually, can you show me your profile again?
This one is worse.
No, it doesn't matter. Yeah. A lot of your this stuff will also get better if you stop mouth breathing.
Yeah.
Have you tried mouth taping at night?
No.
Actually, that'd be a perfect solution for your life.
Okay.
You should mouth tape more often.
Yeah.
But especially when you're sleeping, because I put a tape so that you breathe through your nose and you get more used to breathing through your nose.
Okay.
I probably have a DNS. I don't want to get checked. Most people have a DNS.
Yeah.
Most people have a nasal septum that's deviated. They don't.
Yeah.
Plus, with the pollution, you get sinusitis. It doesn't help. And most people breathe from their mouths. Not good. It changes the shape of your face from here, whatever. And
no, this double chin I have hereditary, which I'm still fine with. This is my first priority. Let me get this fixed and let me see what else.
So like just narrowing it down.
Yeah.
And what else are you looking at?
Nothing else actually.
That's all from the plastic surgery department.
Yeah.
Cool. When are you thinking?
I don't know, March probably.
March 31st.
I just really want to get it done. So this year I don't want any physical insecurities. मैंने जिम भी जाना शुरू कर दिया है. मैं पोस्ट भी नहीं कर रही हूँ उस बारे में because I just want to come out like a transformed person. I want Ozempic speculations कि ये कैसे पतली हुई, ये तो जिम जाती नहीं थी. Ozempic, I don't care. I just want to be hot. So this
Beautiful.
this year I really want to be hot. Next year I'll fix my mental health.
Next year, 26.
Yeah. Because half of your mental health issues are because of your physical issues.
Super agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
And it's not like I'm not the kind of person who doesn't love herself. I've tried loving myself. नहीं हो पा रहा है. Now I have the money. I'm going to get a nose job. So.
And sure, I mean, if it is helping you think better for yourself, might as well. Don't stress that. I know a few people who have. India, it's not that common.
Yeah.
I mean, it's getting somewhat
I'll get it
common.
in Turkey only.
I mean, India in a sense, I don't know a lot of Indians who have that, but a lot of my other friends, they've had that. And if it helps you sleep better, just go ahead and do it.
Yeah. So that, I hope I get to act more. I would love to act more. I have a movie coming out.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What type?
बहुत ही छोटा सा रोल है यार, वही मेन कैरेक्टर की बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Nice. Girl next door ki girl next door.
Yeah. So that is coming out. My show is coming out. Hopefully I want to start an IP. Let's see where that.
Like a show, game show?
Yeah.
Damn, everybody wants to do that, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. Supreme Leader की राह पे चल रहे हैं सब.
Yeah.
तो.
Yeah, too many game shows coming up. I know so many people I talk to and everybody's like, I'm doing a show. I'm like,
Yeah. But I just want to do like 2 episodes. See, नहीं मजा आया तो नहीं
Sure.
करूँगी.
No, do your thing. No means I don't want to discourage.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And more travels, more story times.
Yeah, definitely more travel, hopefully. पर मेरे पास ना कोई है नहीं ट्रैवल करने के लिए. मुझे कोई सिर्फ ट्रैवल करने के लिए चाहिए.
कोई जगह या कोई इंसान?
कोई इंसान.
अभी तेरी वो फ्रेंड थी ना जो तेरे साथ गई थी अभी?
रिदा.
हाँ, राइट.
बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा सोलो ट्रैवल करती है. एंड द अदर पीपल आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल विद, वो मेरे से काफ़ी क्लाउड निकाल चुके हैं. तो अब देयर इज नो एडवांटेज.
तो तेरे को मतलब यू नीड समबडी इक्वली फेमस टू ट्रैवल विद जो तेरे से क्लाउड ना ले पाए.
नहीं.
या
हाँ.
जिसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
या तो
राइट. इंटरेस्टिंग.
अभी बना दिया है मैंने 1-2 लोगों का करियर, तो अभी नए ढूंढती हूँ.
थैंक्स. बाकी लोगों की तरफ से मैं थैंक्स बोल देता हूँ जिन्होंने तेरे को बोला नहीं कभी, ग्रेटफुल नहीं फील कराया. तेरी एग्जिस्टेंस और तेरी प्रेजेंस और तेरे व्लॉग के वो एक क्षण के लिए जहाँ उनका
एक क्षण नहीं, पूरे खत लिखे मैंने लोगों के अपने व्लॉग में. ऐसा नहीं है.
Oh damn. हाँ ठीक है. I think yeah, that sounds fun. This year I also hope 2-3 travels तो मैं कर ही रहा हूँ. You should consider Anjana Deep Explorations this year.
ये क्या है?
You know Anjana Deep, the label? Above and Beyond have I think Above and Beyond का label है. उनके 2 labels हैं, Anjana Beat, Anjana Deep. Anjana Deep is deep house, Anjana Beats is more techno. And Anjana Deep as a collective does shows around the world.
Okay.
Pretty much around the world all the time. कुछ Indian artists भी signed है इस पे. They do something called Explorations in Albania by a beachside in June. And it's a very small event.
Okay.
I don't think larger than a few thousand people max, which is very small for festivals.
Okay.
And it's by beach.
Okay.
In Albania.
Okay.
Apparently, this is pre-popping. Like 1-2 साल में ही फट जाएगा, सबको पता लग जाएगा, more people will go. But this year I'm going for that exact reason. कि अभी किसी को नहीं पता है, वही कुछ
मैं ढूंढती हूँ अपने साथ किसी को लाने के लिए.
I think I have a lot of friends coming. If you're genuinely interested, तेरे को नहीं मिल रहा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have a lot of friends coming.
Done.
Yeah.
Done. I'll text you. You let
That's
me know.
one. Yeah. That's one. Maybe Coachella also this year.
I really want to travel solo this year.
Do it.
I have never done
highly
solo.
recommend. हाँ.
But मुझे खुद के साथ टाइम बिताना पसंद नहीं है.
वो आदत
मुझे
तो फिर तो तू विपश्यना कर, तू सब छोड़.
क्या है खुद से बात करने का पूरे दिन तो. Okay, is your brain ever silent?
Mike? हाँ.
Is your brain ever silent?
No, your brain cannot be silent. Your brain needs something to hang on to. And thoughts are ledges on which your brain
पर
hangs
मेरे
on
दिमाग में तो हमेशा 300 थॉट्स चलते ही हैं at all times.
सबके.
तो फिर मुझे अकेले क्यों और बैठ के उन थॉट्स को बढ़ावा देना है.
कब तक भाग लेगी उनसे?
23 साल हो गए. 23 और उससे ज़्यादा मुझे जीना ही नहीं.
23 में से 15 तो तू जिंदा भी नहीं थी. 15 तो तू मोटी थी और तू बुली हो रही थी स्कूल में, तो वो तो मैटर ही नहीं करते. 7-8 साल बचे, बहुत टाइम नहीं भाग पाएगी. Eventually this is what causes cracks that become mental health complications. And it's actually very worth it. अकेले घूमने में एक level of facing your inner demons है. उसका extreme version है विपश्यना. I highly recommend people do that. 10 दिन
वहाँ तक तो नहीं पहुँच पाऊंगी मैं अभी, पर मैं सोलो ट्रैवल करती हूँ.
हाँ, सोलो ट्रैवल कर, घूम, बढ़िया है, बहुत मजे आते हैं.
बाली जाती हूँ पहले.
हाँ, बाली सेफ भी है उस मामले में. इंडिया मुश्किल हो जाता है.
इंडिया में तो मैंने किया है एक बार सोलो ट्रैवल, मैं कभी नहीं करूँगी दोबारा से.
It's very tricky.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं इनफैक्ट एज अ बैकपैकर आई हैव हैड मोमेंट्स जो अगर कोई लड़की होती तो क्या ही होता. एज अ बंदा यूर लाइक भाई ये रात को 1 बजे कौन आ गया कमरे में, लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. इज देयर अ क्वेश्चन यू हैव फॉर मी?
लेट मी थिंक.
प्लीज.
कब तक करोगे पॉडकास्ट? मजा आता है करने में?
हाँ, मतलब आई हैव ट्राइड वर्किंग जॉब्स एंड आई कांट होल्ड अ जॉब.
So is this the best job yet? Or do you truly enjoy it?
I mean, how many jobs have I held? 2 before this, and I hated both of them. 2, 3. I've hated all of them.
So you don't like working for somebody else?
Yeah, agreed.
Okay.
Cannot.
This you can work on your own schedule, whatever.
Right.
You have people under you. एक बार बोल दिया ये क्या चूतिया edit है, fix हो गया edit. Great.
वो भी नहीं करना पड़ता. They're great guys. And I mean this. I'm not saying this just because I'm on camera. Like my team's amazing to work with. हाँ.
Okay. So, but do you truly enjoy My thing is, does it not get redundant?
It hasn't up until. But I have a counter question to you because I've considered what you do in the past and I feel like is it not how many stories? First of all, I can't tell 50% of my stories. There are 2 NSF.
Yeah, I can't tell 80% of my stories.
Right?
Yeah.
And then if I can't tell those stories, then whatever I'm left with, I'm either forcing dramatization and फिर मैं travel कर रहा हूँ तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कहीं से adventure pull हो जाए ताकि अगली story बना सकूँ. मेरे को वो life का part commoditize करना ही नहीं है. That's private to me. That's stuff I do in my own time. यहाँ पे at least मैं तेरे से सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ, 2-4 अपने ख्याल रख देता हूँ, सही रहता है. So this is much more redoable and less redundant than what you do. That's my thought. What do you think?
यार मेरे को तो ऑनेस्टली कंटेंट बनाने में लाइक इफ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, इफ आई एम मेकिंग अ व्लॉग, इट डज नॉट, मुझे एफर्ट नहीं लगता. I think it's become like,
Muscle memory.
yeah, I can do it. And I truly enjoy it also. More than I think posting it, getting views, whatever, I think it's just such a cool thing that all of my days are recorded in chronological order. And I will always have these to look back on.
Sure.
मेरा एक दोस्त है अनूने, उससे पता नहीं वो कितने सालों से डेली व्लॉगिंग कर रहा है, उसका हर एक दिन रिकॉर्डेड है. He can always look back at.
But it changes the nature of your day.
No.
You do more things that can be recorded.
Yes, for sure. But I love doing a lot of things when I'm traveling. Like मेरी आइटनरी में हर दिन 12 चीज़ें होती है जो मुझे आज करनी है. तो एंड आई एम वेरी वो कि अगर एक दिन कंटेंट नहीं बना इट्स फाइन, अगर 10 दिन भी कंटेंट नहीं बना इट्स फाइन. अगर एक दिन ये कंटेंट बनना बंद हो गया तो वील फिगर समथिंग एल्स आउट. मैंने स्टार्ट कॉमेडी स्केचेस से किया था. अ वेरी सुपर वुमन मोस्टली सेन रूट. मेरे को लगा वो नहीं है, नहीं करना, नहीं रैंट करना. आई पिक्ड समथिंग एल्स. ये किया थोड़ा टाइम, नहीं करना, कुछ और कर लूँगी.
मेरे को नहीं लगता मेरा काम अभी शुरू भी हुआ है redundant होना. Like there hasn't even been a moment where somebody said something I heard somebody else say it.
Okay.
That hasn't happened yet. In fact, there's many ends to it. I'm really enjoying the process of building an organization and chasing after a goal. Overall, बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं. Secondly, I'm only now beginning to understand how to talk to people. मतलब from all the experience I've had, I've written a book about it, I've sold courses, I have learned on the streets at a certain point in New York especially, किस तरीके से लोगों से बात करी जाती है. I was a very shy kid. So shy, I fainted in front of girls, right? So I've learned this stuff firsthand. Then I've written a book and sold courses. Only now am I beginning to feel like मैं सीख रहा हूँ बात करना. So it's a very good adventure in terms of understanding how people think और उनके दिमाग का constellation क्या है, उनके दिमाग की कहानी क्या है, वो अपने आप को कैसे देखते हैं, and how does that change the way they behave, right? Like what is their idea of them? तो I don't think it's redundant. 2-3-4 साल तो कर ही लूंगा यार. 2-3-4 साल तो कहीं नहीं गए.
जैसे मुझे किसी और की बातें सुनना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
क्योंकि तेरा दिमाग अपनी बातों से भरा हुआ है ना.
हाँ, but you enjoy.
Yeah.
Even on the bad days. Because
Especially
I'm
on the bad days.
sure there's, like, according to your schedule, not all days are good days where you're feeling your best self. Even on those days, you enjoy talking to people?
I don't think I was feeling my best self today, but I enjoyed talking to you.
Okay.
I'd answer it like that. Even on my worst days, yeah. It's very... तो देखना, जो मेरी history है of traveling solo, in most circumstances, I have to make people like me, make friends instantly.
Yeah.
And the easiest way to make people like you is let them talk about themselves.
Yeah.
If you ask them questions that you care for in them and they tell you this, they automatically like you. There's a few things I can tell you for somebody who wants game. If you make people move locations, they will feel like they've spent longer with you than if they were sitting in the same place. If you make them talk about themselves and if you ask a lot of why questions and they keep going into their mind. This is a great date hack, by the way. They keep going into their mind and they go to parts of their mind they've never explored before. It's a great way to bond because they feel like this is the first time somebody made me think of this. You need to sprinkle in some humor there because it has to be interesting. The larger point is, this is what I grew up on. I didn't feel at home. I was always fighting with my dad. My mother started working about 10 years ago. Yeah. So there was physical abandon from the one parent I was close to. I'm very close to my siblings, but we don't talk. मतलब कोई बात करने की जरूरत नहीं. अपनी बहन के लिए चाकू मारूंगा किसी के पेट में अगर मारना पड़ेगा. कोई सोचूंगा भी नहीं मैं. But like we don't talk.
You're the older brother?
I'm the older brother. Okay. No, I have an older sister also, and for her I'll do the same.
Okay.
Like I don't give a shit. Even for my older brother I'd do the same. Like I'm very protective and emotional about them, but I'm not expressive. Okay. So I never felt at home. I was a very friends guy myself. दोस्तों के साथ hang out करना है, घूमना है.
Yeah.
And make random friends. दुनिया क्या है? पापा ने कभी देखने ही नहीं दी. तो इस तरीके से.
Yeah.
So I learned this stuff on the street. And so it's very natural to me also. Yeah, that's how it is.
No, but then I love the fact that you talk about yourself. Then it's more like a conversation, less like an interview. I think all other podcasts have mostly felt like interviews, and this one was like a conversation. It was fun.
मेरे को कभी-कभी लगता है कि मैं अपनी बातें करने लूंगा, मेरा सारा सब प्रवचन है. फिर वो प्रवचन मोड में चला जाता है, पता नहीं किसको कितना समझ आ रहा है. Everything to me makes sense on that plane.
But I think your audience
expects that of me.
Yeah, and they also get your प्रवचन.
Yeah.
Even अगर सामने वाला भी नहीं सुन रहा है, but audience तो I think is.
And I'm more tuned into the सामने वाला than the audience. क्योंकि audience की परवाह नहीं कर सकते, समझ नहीं आएगा. Who am I talking to?
Yeah.
Plus, especially I think your audience is all females.
Yeah.
It's very weird. I don't have females.
Oh, yeah.
Like maybe 20%, but not more than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. That's all your questions for me.
Yeah.
एक क्या
शादी
होता है?
कैसे कर रहे हो वो तो
बस
बता
वो तो
नहीं
पूछ
रहे
लिया
आप.
तूने. No other questions.
No.
Okay, we good to go?